So I've got good news and I've got bad news. The good news is that stupid Cintique's in the way. The good news is I'm not dead. Stream is not canceled and I'm not late. I mean, I'm late, but the bad news is this. This is the bad news. I don't have a haircut, I just don't have a headset on. This here is the bad news. Good news, we have toilet. Rip my ears. I literally put it on my head and it just went limp. Immediately. And I feel like... No, I think it's the plastic came off. When is Cintique going to be a thing like her? It's a good question. Once we get a new headset, I guess. I don't even know what to do with this guy. But anyways, so many of you jerks hanging out so early. Thank you so very much. Welcome. Carpeted bathrooms. Yes, we do have carpeted bathrooms. It's a G35. Gotta watch it. This is the G... Wait, what is this? I forgot. The 930. This is the 930. G930. Did the cat show on it when you weren't watching? I don't even have a cat, Mets. I don't even have a cat. So, I mean, lesson learned. Don't, I guess, be too serious with your headset. Yeah, and they're wireless too, which makes me sad. And these things hurt after 2 hours or 3 hours of streaming. These things really start to hurt. Remove your boxes. I want to see your beautiful face, Haystein. We cannot. We cannot remove our boxes because today, for anyone who doesn't know, today is the official upcoming release day, or official, today is going to be the release day for What the Box. The reason why all the characters in our game have little boxes on their head. What the Box is the latest game created by one of our mods and a good friend of mine, Daniel S&D. He's releasing it today on Steam. 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. So it's 2 hours from now. What the Box is coming out on Steam. So to celebrate, everyone in Convention Tycoon has a little box for a head. That's going to be exciting. Once the launch goes, we'll probably play some What the Box. Hopefully you guys can play along with us as well. Funny headset broken too. I know, Polly. I know. That was released a little time ago. He signed? No, not on, it was greenlit on Steam, but it's going to be released today at 2. At 1, at 3, at 4, whatever. What the Box match releases? Hell yeah. For anyone who's What the Box, we'll definitely jump into a match to celebrate the release today at around 4 o'clock. The game is actually cool. Yeah, it is, Saros. It is. The game's super, super awesome. Super hilarious premise. If anyone doesn't know what the Box is, it's a game where you, it's a multiplayer shooter where you fight as cardboard boxes in a cardboard box factory. And so you don't know who's a box and who's a murderer. So it's super awesome. How much money, Russell? What the Box is $5 on Steam, but it's going to be on sale when it releases. So it's going to be, I forgot how much it's going to be on sale. Daniel can tell you when he gets here. Right now, crunching on getting the game ready for the release in 2 hours. So that guy's probably not having a good time right now. So let's show him as much love as we can when he shows up for stream. This is so weird, guys. It's so weird. So these are noise canceling headphones. So normally I can't hear myself that clearly, and now I can, and it doesn't feel like it's myself, you know? You can buy now on itch, yeah. If you want to pre-order the game and you get a Steam key, you can buy it for $3, I believe, on itch. Is What the Box made with Unity? It is, yeah. How did they get networking smooth? It's not they, it's just one guy made that game. Daniel used Photon networking. He actually made it all on Twitch too. So you can give him a follow and watch his show where he works in the game. Unfortunately I will not resub to you. That's cool, dude. I understand. That's okay. But I'll still watch you. Good. I'm glad to still have you around. No worries if you can't resub. Don's working on the trailer. He is. Yeah. It's going to be awesome. What's up, Paco? So for anyone who's new to this show, this is Quasi TV, and we are working on Convention Tycoon, a game where you are creating and managing your own video game convention. Let's turn this. Whoa, let's turn that down. Your headset is a tad uncomfortable. On long streams, I wear them 1 ear at a time, and hearing myself is always disorienting. Right, Treddy? It so is. Yeah, my headsets are noise canceling too, so I usually hear a muffled version of myself, so this is really bizarre. I want to pick up a copy if anyone does. I have a copy, Haystein. I'll play with you. Yeah, it's very, very low barrier to entry to play that game. So yeah, but without further to-dos, let's get started on some Convention Tycoon. Let's fire up some Viz Studio and take a look at what we need to work on today. Which box head are you, Quax? You are all of the box heads, actually. You got mine already, worth more than $3 for sure, Vandy, for sure. You're working on a game? Hey, Stein, cool. What's your game? What's up, Delta? Looking awesome. Thanks. I'm actually making a Tycoon game, dude. It's really fun. I mean, parts of it are awful, and parts of it are really, really fun. So, you know, I'd recommend it. But welcome back. Good to see you. So yeah, for anyone who doesn't know, the Convention Tycoon is a game where you'll be starting your own video game convention, inviting people to come to your convention, setting up booths, taking care of employees, and managing your visitors. Make sure they're happy. You want to prototype a potato farming game where you can also dehydrate the potatoes. Cool, Lycor. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Every time I make a fast-paced multiplayer game, Unity, it turns out that nothing will be accurate or fair. This is true, yeah. I mean, so a lot of the benefits of What the Box being online is that it is a shooter, and shooters, while they're what's the word? I mean, they're fast-paced, but the benefit to making a shooter online is that you can't always see everything that's going on, right? You can only see what you're looking at, and so you can kind of hide a lot of the lag, do it that way. Whereas, say, like a 2D platformer online, or even like the third-person games online, you can kind of see a lot of what's going on. It's hard to hide the lag. Hard to hide the lag. All the people are just children of you quacks. Exactly. We are all just children of the quack, child of the quacks. Welcome, Dumpab. How's it going? I've been really into watching game devs recently. Cool. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're just in time to watch us work on Convention Tycoon. It has a lot of problem haste. What kind of problems are you facing? Working Chef, how's it going? How's your 18-hour stream? Have you recovered? I was watching some of that, and damn, 18 hours is a long time to do anything, ever. If anyone asks, I have my sub and my emotes. Okay, Slugwood, no worries. First I'm here. What's up, Keanu? Or Key-Now. Where are you with this game? I got caught by the Tycoon word. What are you going to do today? Cheers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Where are you? We're on day 16. Day 18. I'm behind on the times. We're on day 18 of the game. Actually, let me show you guys the game, I guess, for everyone who's new here, what we have so far. Hiding lag isn't that hard, but having authoritative server and then hiding lag is hard. This is true, Blind, yeah. I think Photon handles all of that for you, I suppose. You're looking at Treddy? Yeah, Treddy is here. He's hiding in the darkness. What's up, Shoob? How's it going? Fix a lot of problems in the near future. Cool, wait, what are the problems you mentioned? I think I missed them. Oh, screen sizes, gotcha. Yeah. I'm actually having that problem with this game as well. I was testing out some resolutions, and stuff gets weird. Stuff gets weird at resolutions. So anyways, for everyone who's seen the game before, what we have so far is basic NPCs, very placeholder NPC AI and pathfinding, using Unity's built-in pathfinding stuff. Each NPC has a set of stats: happiness, food, thirst, energy, their current status. You can follow them with your camera, you can pick them up and move them around. They don't have any inventory or thoughts yet. We're working on activity. You can also look through their eye holes and see what's going on in your convention. We've also got the ability to buy items. Things like a ball pit, which is super important to any video game convention. Things like beanbag chairs for your guests to sit down and rest in. Things like a pizza shop, where you can sell pizza, bananas, and drinks. Just placeholder shop system for people to buy stuff. So you can see this guy here comes to go to work at the shop. The shop gets its items delivered by this truck, in which then one of our haulers, who we have one by default, carries the crate over to the shop, delivers it, and then the shop will become usable. Still stuck from PAX Box. I'm recovering from that as well. Ah, Working Chef. That sucks. That sucks. You know why people have problems? Because the man-woman upstairs hard-coded them. Nice, Lavinia. Some religious programming jokes. What camera angle do you use for your isometric camera? I believe it's 45 degrees. Let's see here. Top-down camera. I don't know where it is. Camera. There it is. Yeah, 45 degrees X, 0 on the Y and 0 on the Z. Straight up isometric, and I believe it's orthographic. Yep, with a size of 15 for my world scale. How do you progress in the game, Dump We haven't really gone too far in actual progression so far in developing the game, but the plan is you start out with a certain amount of money, say $10,000 or $5,000. You choose a certain location to start your convention. You choose your ticket prices, you choose your marketing budget, etc., which is some of the stuff we're going to be working on today. And based on that, you get a certain amount of people coming to your convention. You try to keep them happy so they want to come back next year. You make money from that convention, and then you try to start bigger and bigger conventions. So you progress in the game by you constantly are making more, like starting your convention over every year. So you have year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. Each time trying to make enough money to grow your convention to be bigger the following year. How does box heads with Twitch icons work? Do they say whatever is said in chat? They do, yeah. So if you talk right now, Paco, your little box head guy will talk in chat as well. I mean, in the game as well. So we've got our shop system. You can see this guy right here, working chef actually. She's visiting the pizza stand. She just bought her pizza banana tray and her drink. And now if we click on her, we can see she's headed to a beanbag to go sit down and enjoy her meal. Actors also have a bathroom stat, a hidden bathroom stat. When they have to use a bathroom, they'll go over here and they'll stand in front of one of these toilets and do nothing because they don't know how to use the bathroom yet. What's up, Beer Chug? How's it going? We also have the ability to put down boots. So right now it's an inbox system, so we're actually going to move away from the inbox system today. But we do get boots. So we have here Naughty Hog Studios, one of the most famous game dev studios in the world. So we can put their booth down here, which will summon their 2 developers to command the booth. It'll deliver a crate over here. Once again, our hauler will pick up the crate, deliver it to the booth. So we're going to speed up time. There comes the hauler. She delivers the crate. The booth gets set up. And now people can come, sit down, and enjoy the Naughty Hog booth. If God does exist and I see him when I die, I'll be able to say straight to his face how bad he did his job. Nice, Archer. If I'm correct, I can also bring it to Apple for testing, but the game will not release to Apple because it's too expensive. You mean the Apple license is too expensive? I think it's like $100 a year or something. So yeah, so again, we can look through our guy and be like, whoa, look at our convention. It's so cool. It's got bean bags. This guy's drinking his drink and nodding his head. I'm walking over here. The guy's got a drink, and that guy's got a drink. There's some lighting issues what's going on there. Some weird lighting issues. Okay. And we've got ourselves a first null reference exception to get started. Let's see what's going on. I think once again it's a problem with our FPS camera. Where's our hack for the camera? I guess we took it out? Interesting. Oh, I see. It's if you guys chat as soon as I switch to FPS camera. So we're going to say... I'll leave it out for now. These aren't really important. We have to kind of refactor how we do some of our first-person stuff later on. You sure he's heard of it a couple of times? Yeah, I'm sure God gets that a lot. Okay, so a couple of changes we're going to make to the game today. We are going to move away from the inbox system. I found it's just a deterrent, or just like an extra step for no reason. It was fun when we first came up with the game idea, but we didn't really know what to do with it. We're going to move away from this. And instead, we're going to have booths already be set up here with like a detail view so you can see what each booth is about. And we're going to add genres to booths. I guess that's B. Can't wait till this game is finished. Me neither, working chef. Me either. Me either. God probably goes like, yeah, I know. That's why I made you guys. No reference exception started streaming, running, created endless issues. Thanks, Monty. Work on my game a lot next week, and if I make progress, I might give away some APK files of testing and see how the audience reacts. Sounds cool, hey, son. Sounds cool. Has there always been boxes on their heads, working chef? No, this is to celebrate the release of What the Box, the newest game by a friend of mine who's coming out on Steam today. Are you at Quasimom's today, Seth Rondo? No, actually, I think I said I might have been at Quasimom's. That ended up getting canceled. I didn't make it out to Quasimom, so I am home with our green screen and our lights and our regular stream overlay and all that stuff. So I'm at regular Quasi home. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to move away from inbox system, and we're going to have our booths automatically show up as accepted booths here to move away from the two-step process. You could do something like the fire department doesn't allow more than 500 people in this building for safety reasons. Then you would have to pay more for special grants to allow people for something. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the idea is that each location should have a limited or a max cap of people that you can actually have at your convention. So it limits how big your convention can get until you get bigger and bigger locations. Totally dumb. Totally. What happened to my ear stats? Oh, if anyone who missed it, my ears broke. My ears broke. So that's why I'm using these. Literally. When the countdown ended and I picked up my headphones to put them on, I was like, yeah, let's start. No! And yeah, it's broken now. And I can't seem to get them to... It looks like the plastic broke on the connection from this thing to the headset part. I probably could tape it up, but they don't look all janky. And I am a professional Twitch streamer or something. So, rip headphones. Can we have a moment of silence for my ears? Hey, Smith, how's it going? Police, what's up, dude? You lost a serious amount of development time by modeling a brown cube. You've lost likely 2 minutes. I'd actually make the brown cube. Daniel sent it to me. It's like, this is the actual, the boxes on their heads are the actual boxes from What the Box. Daniel actually sent me the actual texture and the actual model, which was just a cube. Those are the genuine, actual ripped sprite or ripped meshes from What the Box. You gotta take it easy. I know you're excited to see us. I know, Stats. I know. I literally just put it on my head. I don't know, like... I don't professional headset broker. I feel you, bro. Thanks, man. Yeah, rip headphones. Rip headphones. Let's get started. Okay. So let's look at what is going on with this inbox stuff. I'm gonna switch to some a little bit more chill music because this music is freaking me out. Where can we go? We haven't done. We did FTL a lot. Let's switch to some Witcher 3. What's the top right text font's name, please? Top right. You mean in the game? Bebas. Let me see if I can find it. Bebas new. At Polymeth. Oh, that's not the right version. At Polymeth. This is a font that I actually got from Daniel S&D, actually. It's a font he uses for... Did he use it for his Twitch channel or for Rocket Fist? I forget where he used it, but I was like, that's a damn good font. Can you even hear the music? I mean, your ears are missing. No, but I can. I feel the vibration of the speakers, and that's how I hear, actually. Okay, let's look at our inbox. So this whole inbox view, blah, 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 blah. And what it does is it creates a pool, generates listings. This is the method we want to steal from it. Imagine how much money you would have if you press the button that returns all money you ever spent. I believe that's called counterfeit? I'm not sure. So we basically want to steal this method, which gets... Actually, we don't even need that. We just need to do this, right? So we just need to do this. So let's go look at our... We're going to hide our inbox. We don't want this to be a thing anymore. So if we go to our buttons here, we take out inbox. The cool thing about having a horizontal layout group is that I just take one out and the other ones shift over down the list. Inbox is hidden by default anyway, we'll hide it. We're gonna go to our booth button, which is this guy. Booth button tab. And we're gonna do it in here. So let's say void generate booths. Yeah, let's say generate booths. About to get all the stream quotes somewhere, Vandy. I have them, but I don't think they're... I might have them on Google somewhere. I believe Ankbot updates them or sets them, puts them on Google. You know this music? This is a Minecraft melody in electric guitar. The metal version of the Minecraft melody. So we're going to generate the boots. We're going to get, let's say, 10 boots to start. Now later on we're going to have to actually write some formulas to get boots based on your convention's interests, your convention's popularity, etc., etc. So like vendors are only going to come to your booth if they like your convention. What's up, Aaron? How's it going? And it's going to be based on your marketing budget as well. So we're going to generate booths, and then let's iterate over these booths for vendors.length, lowercase vendors.length. We're just going to add a booth for vendors at I. Are you changing something more chill on music? I was, yeah. I wanted that song to play out. I love that Minecraft cover stuff. Now the music's going to get like super intense. So it's not really chill, I guess. Oh well. Generate boots, we'll do it on start. And we'll add all these boots. Let's see if that should work, probably. There we go. Cool. So we have 10 boots to start with. Oh, look, Megastorm. Oh, I did a Megastorm Games. That's fine, I guess. There's Cheetah Unlimited and Robstar. Oh, that wall is in the way. Okay. So now our boots will already be in the boots menu. Now, what I want to do is make it so that I think I want to make it on hover, so you can actually see the information about these booths, and then decide on them. I'm not sure if it's too soon for that or if it even matters. So we have to, what we're trying to balance against is what we're trying to build for the prototype, what we're trying to build for the full game. You also have stars here. This is how dangerous your convention is, and then if it's too many stars, the police will come and they'll send SWAT teams and stuff. You're gonna cross the work week threshold today, Stetsmanda? What does that mean? What does that mean? Can you have a mobile market boot? Mobile market boot? Like an actual boot that you wear? It's time? Time for battle? Visitor stealing the booth supply behind the booth? Yeah, that guy, people go behind there sometimes. Okay. Let's jump over to our list. So, I want to create the preview view, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. I think we'll just create it static here for now. So we go look at our booth panel. Menu tab panel, empty panel. This is our panel. We're going to give it a new view. Move this guy over here. Say none. Dark. And we're going to make it a little bit smaller and taller. So it's going to look like that. These coins are still a thing? They are, yeah. Create fences so you can control where they can go. Yeah, probably not yet. Hey, where'd it go? Menu tab panel. That is this, right? Or is that not for items? What's up, Devin? Good morning to you too, sir. How is it going? What the? Why is this hidden? Oh, it's... Is this hidden? Oh, it is. Oh, these are generated. Okay. Okay. Those are generated. Where do they come from? Booth button, panel prefab, menu tab panel. Oh, this is a prefab. Okay. Those rope fences things I forgot the name of. Yeah, like queue lines and stuff is going to be really interesting to try to create. Not sure how we're going to do it, actually. Okay, so what's the deal here? What is your actual width? So I don't want this thing to grow in size, but it looks like it does. Not sure how or why. Must spawn something else inside of it. Must spawn button holder, which is buttons panel. And that is left. Content size fitter, okay. Okay, let's remove this for now, so it doesn't screw up our size. And we're going to make it by default this size. So again, all of our UI is fairly placeholder. We're mostly just doing it so we can get the systems working until we design like a better looking user interface. Making a tractor harvester harvest crops in a game require pathfinding. It doesn't have to. You could just tell it where the next crop is and it can just go there. Depends on everything else in the game, I suppose. If you know every cell, every area where the next crop is, you could just tell it to keep going around and around. Garden stream again, Devin? Do it! I think it's a super unique kind of stream that no one really does. Okay. So the idea is that, god damn it, I forgot to apply. Is the UI you're making now from a library or vanilla Unity? It's all straight up, yeah, Unity UI. This is all vanilla Unity. So yeah, basically I want to make it so you can see the details for each one of these when you're when you see them over here. So let's fix some of this. This is the button panel. Let's get rid of empty panel. I don't want to do that anymore. So let's just make this guy bigger. This guy smaller, and just put him over there. Any idea how I would make it do that, Lycor? You would have to know where all of your crops are, and then you would tell it to the tractor and tell it where to go. It's a little bit of a broad question, because it depends on how the rest of your game is made and set up, you know? Have you played the beginner's guide, Treddy? I have not, no. Okay, so what the hell's going on with this I think this is our scroll view that's screwing up. I think there is a scroll view in there. So grid layout group, cool. 10, 60, 60. So our panel, some employees. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of the empty text thing going on here. What's up, Eyesight? How's it going? Dude, I saw your VR asset you made. That thing is super impressive. Awesome, awesome job. I did a VR contract work a little while ago, and they wanted to do something like running in place, and I wish your asset had existed back then, because I would have absolutely recommended we just pick that up and do it. That is freaking awesome. How long have you been working on that? It's pretty sweet. Like, I haven't seen any other asset like that on the asset store where you can just like, run in place. Alright, well this thing hates me. It's not really good at a grid layout group. This is what the content size fitter was for the height. So let's try a content size fitter, and the horizontal is preferred size. What? How does it? Min size. Unconstrained. So like that big. And then this, the vertical fit is the min size, I guess. It's been in the market for 2 months now? Yeah, it was a little while back. It was a little while back. Right now I just have a few cubes that when the harvester cube hits the crop, they are destroyed. And what you want is to have a harvester that just goes from crop to crop, right? So if you know all of your crops, you can just kind of tell the harvester, here's crop 1, here's crop 2, here's crop 3, and just have it kind of move to each one of those. You're going to have to come up with your own system to actually make it move from one place to the other. It's in constant develop along with my VR game. Cool, dude. Yeah, I knew you were working on the VR game. I didn't realize you're also working on a sweet VR asset like that. Okay, this... Let's take a look at this guy in the inspector. Because he's definitely not the size you want him to be. So this booth panel with 192. Okay, so I guess it is too small. What we really want is like that. So 240, 230. So confusing, somebody will get it like horror. I mean, I would try to start with something smaller. If you're having trouble with like solving problems like that, maybe try to solve something a little bit smaller. Like just make a game about a guy that chases other things. You know, then you'll kind of understand how to make something follow something else. Okay, so now what we just want to do is on hover, we want to show the information for each one of these items in that secondary panel. Bigger, bigger. Don't really care about how it looks much, but kind of. In here, we're gonna, I guess, just put text for now. It just has the information. I can't see because this stupid starting panel. How do we hide this? Just hide like that. Feature creep is a bitch. It is, always, and forever will be. Can you explain why all these Tycoon games that are being made right now are set up at a 45-degree angle at a start for the play area? I think it's because an isometric camera allows you to see more. I mean, so like I originally, when I first made this game, I made a camera that actually like spins all the way around and stuff. And with like spinning, zooming, panning, placing, rotating items, I found there was just like a lot of controls for the player to know. I can still put those back in. It doesn't really matter to me, but at 45 degrees, like a nice like isometric view, so you can see like the most amount of stuff, and things are the most like it's the most coherent of like where a wall is and where another wall is. I don't know if that makes sense. It also just looks appealing because everything's like a straight angle. So how to do hover? Let's find out. Unity button hover event. Add an event component to your game button game object. Okay. Button. Booth button. Okay, booth button. Click on add new button and select pointer enter. Oh, I see. No, that's not it. We want to add an event trigger component to your button game object. Okay, event trigger. Okay, cool. Add event type on pointer enter, I guess. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then you can make it do an event. Interesting. So I want it to call itself. And then let's edit that script. How do you make it call itself? Oh, it's right there. Booth button. Hey, I want the game so badly, I know. It's gonna be a while, though. It's gonna be a while. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's probably gonna take forever. Public void on hover. So when a button hovers, it's gonna need to know. So let's go see who makes it. It's made by the booth button tab. So we're gonna give the button information to its tab. Public booth button tab. Tab. Loving the Witcher soundtrack. I know Potato, isn't it so good? Hollow Ball is on sale? What's that, Slark? Be better and faster, Haystein? I'm trying. Boot button tab. So when we spawn our button, which is here, we're going to say button dot. Oh, there's a setup method, so we're going to pass in this on setup. Go in here. It's going to ask for a booth button tab. So this dot tab equals tab. Basically VR pawn. Okay, cool. Is that event trigger thing built in Unity? Yeah. I didn't know that was a thing before either. I just looked it up on Stack Overflow. But yeah, it's just a built-in Unity thing. Pretty cool. So now on hover, we're going to say tab.show detail. And we're going to pass in this button. Actually, we're going to pass in this vendor. And we're going to have here public void show detail. Which takes a vendor. And for now, what we're just going to do is, what is this? Station prefabs? For now, we're going to have... how are we going to do this? We are a button tab. So we want to do this, I was doing it too specifically, we want to do it a little bit more generically so it can work for other things as well. We might do this for actors and for items and stuff like that to see their detail information. Oh, damn it. Make security useful? Like put an antivirus on my computer? Is that what you mean? How can we do this? We want... Guess I'm curious how... Let's see, let's jump over here. So you can look at some screenshots of other Tycoon games. I'm curious about the way they approach setting down things. Because the biggest challenge we have with our booth is we want to know more information about it before we actually commit to it. Now my first inclination is to just have like a hover thing that shows the information here. Which I guess instead of passing it to the booth button, we should be passing it to this view. And that view should be taking care of it. So this has a button prefab, so let's see what we know the knowledge of. Oh, this is a menu tab group, or a menu tab, which is what spawns the UI window panel prefab, item button prefab, button container. Okay. So we basically need, look at where is it? Buttons, booth, button. We're spawning this menu tab panel. This menu tab panel has a UI window class. What we really want to give it is the menu tab panel class. And we want to have this guy extend UI window because I think we call this, let's see if we ever call this again. Nope, we just spawn it. Okay, so we're just going to create these as menu tab panels. Bring back the headphones, Asimbi. Rip. Rip the headphones, man. They broke. My headphones broke. It's over. Might as well give up on life now. So what we need is a reference. This is a menu button tab. This is a panel prefab. Basically want to store a reference to menu tab panel. Oh, which we do. Menu tab panel equals panel to show. Okay, cool. We do have a reference to it. Oh, awesome, 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 awesome. So here is where we want to put our method show detail. Hashtag banana headphones? No. What does that even mean? Just gonna stick 2 bananas on my ears? Yeah, these are already hurting. Like, I hate wearing earbuds. Show detail vendor. Question is, can we just go straight to it? Can we cut out the middleman? We can, yeah, we can if we just tell a button, instead of keeping up with its button tab, it stores its menu tab panel. And then here we pass in our button tab panel. So we don't need this method anymore, because we basically just call it straight on the tab panel. The question is, what does show detail do? Show detail, we need a reference to the text, or even we'll call this menu tab detail view. Call that detail view. Waiting for my graphic artist to include you in your game. Polymeth. Oh, dude, I can't wait. That's going to be awesome. That's going to be awesome. Make sure he gets my nose right. Potatoes work like batteries. Strap 2 potatoes to your ears and transfer sound that way. Pretty sure that's exactly how it works. Okay. So we're going to create a new class for this thing. Over here, we're going to call this menu tab detail view. This is going to be a UI window, that way we can hide and show it. UI window, so remember we have this base class UI window, which allows us to hide and show things with canvas groups and also move them around on screen if we need to. We're going to go back to bed for a bit. See you, Working Chef. Have a good one. Hope you feel better. Make sure you drink lots and lots of vitamin C. Alright. Cool. So this is going to extend the UI window. It's also going to need a serialized private text. We're going to just call it detail text for now. That's where we're going to show our view. So here we'll have a public void update info. And for now, I guess it's going to be a vendor, but it's probably going to want to be something else. I don't know if we have a generic info anything yet. What's up, Molten Hard? How's it going? This will just put string info for now. And we'll say detail text dot text. Oh, why is it text alignment? I wanted a text. No! Damn it, Resharper, why would you fail me like that? Okay, text equals info. So now in our menu tab panel, in our show info, we're going to go to our detail view. We're going to say update info, and we're just going to put vendor.name. We'll start with just showing the name of the vendor. Then we'll figure out how we're going to show all the information like genres and pictures and sizes. I'm learning how to use C# and it's difficult, Molzen. It's difficult at first. It is at first, but you'll get it, and then you'll be C-sharping like the back of your hand. Okay, so now let's set this crap up in the inspector. So we have this menu tab panel. It's got a panel. It's going to need a reference to this text. Wait a second. Okay, yeah. And this is going to need a reference to this panel. Hit apply. Now it should hide it by default. Oh, ew. Banana phone and banana earphones assembly. Those look so disgusting. Learning C/C++ first, and then C# is like going from oil painting to crayon. This is true. You learned Python first? I think Python was my first programming language. Or I guess, is it technically a scripting language? I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Cool. So on update info, we're going to make sure we say show. Isn't that a thing? Awake. Virtual void show new title. So it's going to do toggle then. I wanted to show. So show empty string. Actually, I should make this equal empty string. So I don't have to always give it a new title. Where's the banana hoodie, Simbi? I'm not wearing it every day. It's way too hot in here. Banana onesie. Okay. So, let's see what's getting called and what's not getting called. So booth button. Has the event trigger. Oh, we didn't assign a function here. So booth button on hover. Oh, did Simbi miss it last week? Oh, we did wear the banana hoodie, Simbi. It was a good time. It was actually really, really comfortable. I quite enjoyed the banana hoodie. There we go. Okay. So now we have the stupid little box that shows. And how will we do it? There's something wrong with this text, or if it's just, oh, it's just set to black, so make it white. Make this thing, I don't know why it's set to stretch. I don't want it to stretch, so let's make it do its own thing. What's up, Soul Network? Okay, cool. Now I'm starting to think I don't want it to be hidden by default. If I want this to be smaller. Which means that's become a scroll view and stuff as well, but we'll worry about that when the time is right. So again, I'm going to remove the content size fitter. Just going to set a size. Let's set like that size. This really should be inside of this. So I can fit it. And then we'll make it, what? Oh no, that has a horizontal layout group, so we can't do that. We'll have to make it inside of another thing, inside of a thing, inside of a thing. Make it smaller again. Alright. So I'll have to make that a scroll view so you actually see all the buttons. Visual Basic was your first language. Hardcore. So we're going to not make this guy a UI window. Just make it a mono behavior. So it's always showing, I think, at least for now. Did you lost your headset? I did, Soul. I did. It broke. Broke. What's up? I love to say yay. How's it going? Current song reminds you of Zone of the Under soundtrack? It does, yeah. Oh man, I miss Zone of the Unders. Good times. Why does this view hate me so damn much? Move this employee window. It's kind of killing me. What the hell's going on with this thing? Let's do that. 20, 20, 20, 20. Oh, that's way too much padding. 10? 10? 0, 10, 10. So that's okay. Let's just make a panel now. I'm procrastinating this and I'm like, it's wasting more time than it should have. Just make this guy look like that. Get over here, triangle. Get over here, you damn triangle. Don't you want to be a triangle? Why isn't it moving? Oh, it's set to stretch. Yes? So we do like boop, 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 boop. Oh, really? So this thing is actually really tiny. Okay, I get it now. I get it now. So like that. Skyhook failed you, Shub? What do you mean? Action script? You know, I actually never got too deep into action. I did a couple of... My first job had a lot of like action script stuff in it, but I never got too deep into it. Alright. And now these guys can be corners. 0, 0. What? What? We'll just do stretch. 0. And like that. And this guy will be a stretch. Yeah. Just over there. You die in the battle. Okay, gotcha. Found out JavaScript was better. Yeah, it's all the same. Nothing is better, nothing is worse. Okay, so this one needs to be right stretched. This one needs to be left stretched. So they shrink. Is there a left stretch and that way? I guess that's what this is? Is that what this is? I don't know. Making what the box looks funny, it does. Yeah, it's super fun to play. We're going to be playing a little bit later today. A hammer is better than a screwdriver. Technically, a gun is better than a hammer, though. Okay. Question is, what's a better way to represent this stuff? I don't even know. But let's see what we have for our vendor info. Change this grid layout to a little bit smaller. Let's just, I don't know, 30 by 30. It's not even going to fit. So we know here is our vendor info. On show detail. Grabs his hammer gun. You got a new parakeet today. Nice, Potato. What's up, Jay? How's it going? I need name suggestions. I was thinking Quasi. Oh my goodness. What about Pidgeotto? So for vendors, we know string, name attended, their type, we have a list of genres. Okay, so basically for this menu tab detail view, we want to use a special class, public class. Let's just call this detail info. And detail info can have a string name, string subtitle, and we can say a string array of tags, and string description. So leave it like that for now. What we'll basically do is we'll use this class to create our vendor info. We can use it to create other generic things in the future. Name it Tweeter. I like it. And then let's generate a constructor for this guy. Okay. So for now on, our update info is going to take detail info. And so we're going to say our detail text equals info.name. Oh, these aren't public. I didn't mean for them to be public. Info.name plus, and until we have a better detail view, we're just going to do them like this. So info.subtitle. Plus new line, plus, actually we'll do that, and then we'll iterate over all of the info.tags. And we'll add this to each one of the texts, so plus equals info.tags at I plus a space. Actually, we'll do a comma for now. And then we'll add another new line. So all this beautiful string concatenation. You can never go wrong. With string concatenation, it only overloads the crap out of everything. Detail text. We should have just made this a string. So let's say string detail equals this. I don't have to type detail text so much. And finally, detail text equals detail plus equals new line, and then plus info.description. Sounds like Squawky. Name him Squazzy. Squazzy. What's up, Drinkler? How's it going, dude? So we're going to update the info with this detail info class, which means here we're going to create a detail info out of it, out of this vendor. Info equals new detail info, which takes a name, so vendor.name. Takes a subtitle, it's going to be vendor dot, let's say events attended. Oh, we need to know request as well. Crap. Do request dot budget length with tickets needed, special needed. Let's do, is it width times length or length times width? How do you supposed to write stuff? I don't know. And it's going to be, what else is in this? So it's the name of the vendor. This is a string, I hope. Oh, I forgot to put a plus. Tags. Shoot. You should put string builder. Every time you concatenate something, it creates a new object for the garbage truck to clean up, and you can cause hiccups when the garbage truck kicks in. Yes, good point, Stats. We should use string builder for this thing and this thing. No, you're totally right. We're gonna do it this way to make it so what we're actually gonna end up doing is not actually concatenating the strings. The goal is that this should all be like separate texts that we assign to. I don't want to set them up yet because I'm not sure of the design of it, but the idea is going to be that you actually create it's going to be different text elements that have each string set to it. Stroop waffles are awesome. They are indeed. But yeah, you're absolutely right. Yeah, we should use string builder for stuff like this. How the hell are we going to do this? String tags. I wonder if instead of doing string tags, we should do genres. Because everything's going to use the same. It's going to be genres and not strings, I think. But yeah, like if you do string concatenation like this and update, you're going to definitely cause yourself a huge issue of problems when you're putting all the strings together. I'm not a scientist either, just a programmer that hates the garbage collection. You're the hero we deserve, Stas. You're the hero we deserve. But no, yeah, it's always good to look out for string concatenation stuff, especially in the game loop. For that tag, this should work. It's a enum. So we're going to pass in vendor.genres. And finally, vendor.events attended. Attended. What's that? Okay. Now pass in this info. 59 minutes to what the box? Yeah. 59 minutes, yeah. Yep. It's crazy. I wonder how Daniel's doing. Okay, and let's see if this works. Buttons are still messed up, but I'm not sure how to represent the boots as buttons. Actually, I was thinking rows yesterday. So here we go. We can actually see somewhat of their info. It's kind of, you know, crap looking. It's a common thing I do with commas. You should only add a comma if I is, or rather, info.tags.length greater than 1, and I is less than or equal to info.tags.length minus 1. So if it's less than the last element and there's more than one element, then add a comma. You ever planning to play Drawful with viewers, Alien? Probably not, mainly because you requested it, and I think you gave me a Steam key for it? Isn't that what happened? So I think just for those reasons, I think we're not going to do it. We did it once. I think you were here for the one time we did it, right? We just haven't had any chance to do like any extra streams or evening streams in a long time because we've been super busy. But yeah, no, Drawful would be awesome. I just want to do, if we ever have time for like another evening stream or something. Drinkler, what's up, dude? It'd be great to play that again. So I could wreck you guys at drawing. Drawful, yeah. You missed it? I think it was a long time ago. It was back when Skyo came out and we had things we had like more free time. He's stressing about the trailer and a few bugs. Oh no! Grindal, thank you so much for those bits! You're amazing. Thank you so much for... Is it the cheers? Is it the bits? Is it the 100 purple diamond, purple gems? Thank you very much, dude. You're awesome. Update info, detail text. I'm going to do 2 lines here and here. And then 3 lines here. 2 lines here. I basically want the tags to show as like circles and stuff later on. Mitchell custom Drawful gun game to play. Don't know if you remember. I do. Yeah, no, I do remember. I haven't got a chance to play it at all since then. Oh my God, it's Quasi. What's up, Jeffy? How are you doing? This is too many lines. Too many lines. Too many lines. So we're gonna say 5x5 plus vendor dot request dot sender boop prefab dot I guess we'll just say booth for now. Alright. So I think what I was thinking about doing was making these horizontal. I don't even know if that works because you have to look through a lot of them. It's kind of annoying. Should your grinder be the biggest jerk? Cheers. So the biggest jerk is only towards donations. Cheers and bits is separated from donations because they go through a different system. Oh, those are items. So you can see items aren't showing up. You gotta put them on the button. So how do we get items to show up? Or do we even need items to show up? Probably not something to worry about just yet. Okay. So Coyote Multimedia 5x5 booth screening. This is a merchandise booth. So right now all the booths just have randomly added tags to them. Does Unity rich text background color? Is that a thing? What's up, Les? Pizza Notion's gonna handle separately, yeah. It's a pita? Like a pita bread? That's some intense convention music. Hey, the only kind of conventions we have around this town are super intense, epic conventions. Okay, so what can you do with rich text? You can do color. That's it. I guess we can just do color for now. Have you recovered from PAX left? You didn't catch the PAX box, did you? Because if you do, we're gonna have to burn you at the stake. I don't apply the 30-30. Pita equals pain in the ass. Oh, gotcha. Thought you meant like pita bread. Yeah, so these are kind of small. I haven't gotten sick after a convention in a number of years now. Oh, nice. Solid immune system. Okay. So we've got just the basics, seeing some more information about what these booths are all for. Right now they're all pretty much the same, so it's not a big deal. Am I coming to TwitchCon, Grindal? I absolutely am. Are you? Are you? Are you? Because that would be awesome. I've never had the PAX box as bad as I have this time. Treddy, that sucks! Stats!
This is for my homie J Grindal. Hashtag fight the power. Hashtag rigged system kappa.
Stats, thank you so much for that $1 in honor of J Grindal. Thank you so very much. Picking up that biggest jerk in the spirit of Jay's 100 bits. I have a technique, but I don't say it publicly because some people have said it's gross. Oh, is it licking the bottom of your shoe after every day so that you can absorb all the nutrients from the PAX show floor? Okay, next on our list is ignoring the fact that items don't show up. Don't really want them to. You still have this placeholder staff. Hey. Hey. Does this not move? It just closes? Okay. Because they're working on the staff thing. Not confirming or denying. Just tuning in, watched Finding Dory, and now I'm back. Cool. How was Finding Dory, Nim? I want to watch that. Oop, hit my microphone. Left blocks his hotel door with a line of urine because it's sterile. Keeps the pox out. Sneaking into and living in the con center a month before to adjust the local bacteria. Like these theories. What was the next important thing? Choose a kitchen. Oh yeah, we need to work on this. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's disabled. Con info, starting panel. There it is. I want to set these canvas groups to 0 by default, so I don't have to see that face anymore. Hey, Sean is crazy. What's up, Mustache Dave? I couldn't pee on the floor because I was staying with Concerned Dave for PAX at his house. That'd be kind of rude. I think he would understand. I think he would understand. So I colored some of these UI windows with placeholder colors for now because they were looking like trash before. So last week we were working on this location selection, days to rent, which increases your location selection. Then you want to do another playthrough of Witcher 3. Another playthrough? Isn't it like an 80-hour playthrough game? Okay. There's employee. Oh yeah, so that's one of the important views. See you, Stats. Thanks for the $1, dude. I'm doing it for us, man. Hey, Doosan, how's it going? So we could work on the employees UI window, which is essentially going to be a list of the employees you currently have. So one of the problems you have right now with having employees is, say I have like 32 haulers right now, there is no way for me to know who or what or where they are. We do need an employee view. So let's start with that. Let's grab this actor detail view, copy it, move it into space. Let's go over here. What is in this pack box? Is just a bad cold? I've never gotten it, thankfully. So we're gonna make this a smaller window with, I guess, 3 kinds of tabs because we have 3 kinds of employees right now. It's gonna be the same deal. This is basically It's not a detail view, so we can remove... Oh, this is... Okay, so a detail view is currently not a tab view, which you probably want to make. I have hashtag game dev question. Did you design the game before jumping in, or are you coming with the ideas as you go? It's a good question, Kano. A little bit of both. So while where's my sketchbook? So a lot of my... See, if I had a wireless headphone, by the way, like I once did before this morning, I could have just walked over and got it. My phone doesn't know. My headphone died. So yeah, I do a lot of like, while I design stuff like in the sketchbook, I'll like write stuff down. If you guys can see this on with the white balance. What's up? Like, there it goes. There's a lot of like writing and drawings and stuff in here, and there's pictures of really creepy babies, and more writing here. You can see this is like one of the original ideas for what the characters would look like. There would be like little cubic guys. That was before I found those literally cube assets. This is a picture of a guy riding a Gyarados. This is the haunted house game. So a lot of the kind of basic design goes into the sketchbook, and then I do still improvise a lot of it on the fly. When it comes to the actual UI of it, I kind of hate sitting down and drawing out my UI stuff, so I procrastinate that a lot. So I just try to make some of the core codes, like the systems for the UI, and then I'll design like the actual thing in Photoshop later on. But usually for that, I usually feel like I need a better understanding of the game as a whole. So I'll like deal with like placeholder UI like we are with the game so far. The game, I guess, is super UI heavy though, so I feel like in the future I'd probably want to plan out the UI a lot more. But what happens is when you plan a UI a certain way and then you change a system, like I've been doing a lot, where it's like, okay, I don't want to have security guards anymore or something like that, then it gets annoying because you have to remake the UI. So I'm trying to make like the generic UI stuff that I know I'm confident about, but I'm not sure how I'm going to deal with like making the final UI for this gigantic management thing. But yeah, does that answer your question? The answer is yes. Detail view is this thing that does tabs, but also updates stats. So we're going to separate this guy out to a new class called tab view. And as for like code structure, it's also a mix of the same thing, where like sometimes I'll design out my classes and sometimes I'll just like totally just figure it out on the fly. So detail view is going to extend tab view, and tab view is going to extend UI window. And pretty much just need to know our tabs. And I want to move this into tab view. Update if current item update stats, actor, trash item, follow, pickup, look on hidden. Cool. Yeah. So now our tab view is something we could use for other views as well, as opposed to just this one. Webhooks UI is the best way to go anyhow. You can get the core systems in place and see how they feel and track before a lot of time in art development. Awesome, coach. Thanks. Yeah, I'm glad you could help me confirm that, because I wasn't really sure. Because with my last game, the UI was much simpler because it was an arcadey game. So I was able to just kind of design it and then go straight. So I'm glad that this is a good way to go. I wasn't really sure. Thanks for answering. It's really cool. I appreciate it. Of course, of course. Curious about those little guys. What makes them move? Was the AI difficult? And how, if you plan to, will it handle the usual AI becomes dumb and the game's laggy where there are too many little guys on screen? Yes. The AI is still all very, very placeholder. Right now they're just using Unity's nav mesh agent, which just you bake a navigation mesh on the ground and then they can walk around there. So if you look at the floor here. Oh, not that floor. This floor. Unity has this built-in navigation system. So I'm just using that. It's not good. I mean, it's great for prototyping. It's super laggy. You know, after like 10 characters, it gets pretty laggy. So I'm probably going to be moving on to something else later on, using A-Star to navigate the characters. I mean, they're using A-Star in Unity, but I'll probably write my own system because Unity's thing's a little bit too heavy for it. Because I need to be running like a few hundred of these at a time. I have been kind of peeking this pretty cool asset. It's called Apex Path. It's like an asset made for like RTS games, and it handles like hundreds of units. It's something that I probably wouldn't be able to write with like, you know, outside of a few months or something. So I might go with that to save time, but I don't know anybody who's used it yet, so I'm worried whether or not it's going to work for my needs. But basically what the AI is doing right now is they just like choose a random point on this floor to walk to, and they just walk there, and Unity handles the navigation. So we have to rewrite a lot of their AI and their navigation stuff in the future. You could also use jump point search. What's that? You just encounter this in many space simulators. Do not name them. How much is Apex Path? It is $95, I believe. What's up, cool mom? How's it going? Guys, be cool. Be cool. Nice glasses. Thanks. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, I guess whenever you saw me, I was wearing contacts during PAX. Yeah, I wear glasses. I'm a four-eyed freak, and I'm proud of it. Twitch staff, guys, be cool. Act cool. Everybody be cool. Nothing to see here, cool mom. I'm definitely wearing pants, and we're definitely working on games. Shoob with the scaredy cat emote. I love it. It's a little more optimized than A-Star. Literally the only other optimal search I know of. Really? Okay, what's it called? Jump point search. I'll keep that in mind. Thank you. Hide your memes. Hide your moms. Hide your kids. Slowly puts his pants on. Come on, Sets. What did we tell you about that? Okay, so do we have a tab view? So our detail view is now tab view. She parents. Yes, Cool Mom is the mom of creative. She makes sure that we're all on our best behavior and that we're well taken care of and that we get home safely and that we're loved. PTA meetings, driving partners to practice. Yes, Cool Mom drives a cool van. Want to be a Twitch child? You first have to be reborn, Hastein. It's the only way. Are you planning to ship with those characters, Diablo say? I'm planning on shipping with these characters remade with some slight modification. So I don't like that I can't animate these characters right now because the rig is totally janked and there's a lot more animations I want to do with them. I don't like the way they're UV'd right now because you have to like create, like I want to do like special stuff with their textures to swap their bodies. So I might create my own body character, my own NPC, but probably in a similar style. I don't know. A lot of people seem to be liking the cube style of the characters. What are we doing today, Cool Mom? Actually, you haven't seen Convention Tycoon before, I don't think. Or maybe you have. But anyways, I'll show you anyway. This is the game we're working on. This is Convention Tycoon. It's a... I was about to say a 2D platform where you fight with grappling hooks because I'm so used to... Anyway, this is a game where you're creating and managing your own video game convention. You can do things like invite game developers to come to your convention, like Ratware and Crybaby. You can set their booths, decide where they're going to go. The developers will come to your convention and man their booths. They'll get deliveries on the stuff they need to put their booth together. Your employees will carry the crates over to the booths and get them set up so that all your awesome attendees can hang out there as well. You can also do things like put beanbag chairs for your attendees to hang out in and rest. A pizza shop that sells pizzas, bananas, and cold drinks for your attendees who get hungry. Attendees have different stats, things like happiness, food, thirst, and energy. They also have inventory, thoughts, and different activities. You can pick them up, move them around, you can follow them, and you can look through their point of view and attend your own conventions. And hang out with all these boxes. The video game convention, the presenters are showing some 2D game with grappling hooks. We should have Skyhook in there. Are those urinals? No, these are toilets. Why does everyone think these are urinals? These are standard human-sized toilets. It's just, I guess they do kind of look like urinals. But yeah, so the attendees also have bathroom stat. So if we make enough time pass, I'll speed up time here. After time, attendees will have to use the bathroom, and then they'll head over to the bathroom. Okay, we need more time, I guess. They'll go over to the bathroom, and then they'll do their business. See, there he goes, using the bathroom, like you should. You love their faces? Yeah. So what do you guys think about the style of these characters? Do you guys think we should this cubey kind of Minecrafty cutesy style? Is that the style you guys think we should go forward in when I create my NPCs outside of this asset pack? Where's the hand sanitizer? We should actually make that booth today. A few people have suggested it. We could make the hand sanitizer station. It wouldn't be too difficult. Finding Dory was surprisingly emotional, but all in all a great movie, even though I feel kind of childish watching it. Oh, I should never feel childish, dude. Pretty much all I watch is cartoons. So don't feel childish, unless that makes me a child, I suppose. Are you planning on including the most important feature of a con, a Twitch party? What's up, demons? How's it going? Do you like them left? Do you think they're good? If you guys think that the QB style is a good character style for our game, put a kappa in chat. That's for sure not where's the bathroom stall doors. Look, man, it's a lot to animate bathroom stall doors, okay? This convention doesn't have them. You are childish? You know what, Leth? I can accept that. I can accept who I am. Whoa, look at all these kappas spawning into the game. Don't take my advice on graphics? Why? What? Your games have awesome graphics. Okay, a lot of kappas. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Grindal, Rick, Phoenix Fire, Soul Network, Demons, Nim, Potato. What are we voting on, Sean? The character style for the game. When we make our own characters, if we should make them in a similar style. We need a Scaredy Kappa. You did it wrong? Capital K, so capital K. And he's not thanking for the host. Gotta go, but I want to stop by and say thanks, cool mom. It was good talking to you, and I'll see you soon. TwitchCon Adventures coming soon. Coming soon to San Diego near you. It's like all the guys in the game are happy to look the way they look. Yeah. They all have boxes for heads.
Oh.
Have a great rest of your day. See you in a few weeks. I know. Can't wait. Can't wait. Sean, thank you for the host, dude. Okay. So where were we? I think we're working on employee window, right? Yeah. Employee window. No door and a huge jerk in the sky watching you in the toilet. I expect it's nothing less. These earbuds. I'm gonna have to buy some headphones tonight, or maybe just tape these up. Probably just tape these up. Probably should. I said your name right, Phoenix? Of course I did. You're awesome. It would suck to be staff. Wait, what would be? Why would it? Oh, you're talking to Cool Mom. Never mind. Okay, actor details 1. This is going to be staff view. So it's a tab view. I'll remove this detail view. I don't really care about title. I guess I'll put it in here. Need to know its tabs. Tabs is this tab, and this tab. Delete the activity tab. Probably generate these later on based on employees. For now, we'll just do haulers, security, and for lack of a better term, I just called the other people staff for now. I don't know what to call them. Giving away a set of Sennheisers on my stream on Friday. Just saying. Hashtag shameless plug. What? I'll have to get that. What? Neville! 2 months in a row! Neville, thank you so much!
Where the crap did this ugly purple button from? Better click it to make it go away.
Neville, thank you so much for 2 months in a row, guys. Can we get some love in chat for Neville hitting that resub button? Thank you so very much. You're awesome, dude. And of course, if you guys are watching the show, if you enjoy the show, please hit the follow button. And if you kind of like the show like a little bit more, maybe hit that sub button. You know, it could be cool things happen. Things like Chrono Trigger music. I have to go to my cooking class. Have a good one. See you, police. Cook something good. Don't burn your hands and don't burn the place down. But Grindal, cool. I'll check out your stream. I need to give away headphones. That's kind of awesome. My ears broke, demons. They did. Yeah. Rip. Rip. Nice emote, I signed. Button sub. Yeah, my earphones broke. I've had my eye on these really comfy ones since I wear these for like hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. But I was like, oh man, I don't need to buy these because I already have headphones. And then now it's broken. I wonder if I have a warranty or something on them that I can use. Anyway, take out the look button, the pickup button, the follow button. And I guess we're gonna make this wider now. Fill this in. 0, 0. Make this panel 10. Padding. 10, 10, 10. Okay. So we're gonna leave the other tabs for now. We're just gonna have one tab. Just because we're gonna work one at a time. The stream is interesting, mostly SolidWorks and engineering design. Don't say that. That's the worst thing to say about your stream. I bet your stream is awesome, and you just don't realize it yet. I'm gonna come and I'm gonna come watch it and be like, hey, why'd you lie to me, you jerk? Because this stream is awesome. It was a sign? What was a sign? What's a sign? You're a sign. I'm a sign? It's kind of cool. I don't think of streaming, that sort of thing. That's what my mom does. Really? That's awesome, Neville. Tell her to stream. Totally should at least have translucent Star Trek style force fields. So no one can attack you when you're in the bathroom. The way I see it is the future of our society is bathroom stalls without doors. I just think it will be a better place for all. How the hell do you get this? The button's up there. Let's bring the button back down. Okay, this is where it comes from. So which means our body... That's our body. Oh, gotta move these triangles. So, like that. What's up, Bukate? How's it going? Hope the future of society isn't doorless bathroom stalls. So we're gonna delete these. So this is gonna be an employee view, I guess. Remember the awkward, maybe something else. It's gonna be just an employee. Let's just call it employee. You know the awkward situation, you have somebody knocking on the stall to see if it's occupied. Exactly. You just walk up to the stall, you're like, oh, guess it's occupied, I'll move on. Moving on. Should be able to raise and lower the stall shields in case you need to power your engines for an emergency FTL job. Yes, I agree with this sentiment. Oh my god, 325. Hope Daniel S&D isn't dead because he's got to release a game very soon. No, Game Maker Studio, awesome, dude. Did you get the Humble Bundle? Humble Bundle? I think you might have mentioned you did. Oh, by the way, Nova Prime, thank you for the follow. Young Kevin, thank you for the follow. Mustache Dave, thank you for the follow. Phoenix Fire, thank you for the follow. Ameth Kiki, thank you for the follow. And GADOTHEDER, thank you for the follow as well. Videodrome, Major Bulls, oh my god, I missed so many awesome people. VN, Teth, Awesome Pickle, and Sampsonium. Potato, you losing your pants? Dude, be cool, man. Twitch staff might still be watching. So this is going to be a panel, employee. I guess we'll just have an image. We'll have an image, we'll have a text. Mr. Poopy Butthole. So it'll just be the name. And I guess it'll be their status as well. So it'd be like fixing toilet. It's time for you to lose your pain. Okay, so this is going to be each one of these panels. Now I can't see the panel height. There it is, employee. Oh, this is a vertical layout group. So I want these to be a layout element with a preferred height of something. 60. Hello? Vertical layout group, child force expand, don't expand their height. Okay. I bought me the $15 pack for the reason at least you try to learn something and not wasting time. That's awesome. That's really nice of them. This is a pants required chat. No non-pants allowed. No pants, no shoes, no service. Binary login. Thank you for the login. Thank you for the follow. So now we can make a bunch of employees like that. We want to make this a scroll view, not a constrained view, but I still haven't actually learned how to do that, so we're going to pretend like we don't have to do that. Employee listing. Yeah, whatever I want to call it. Guess. Let's put that in there. So this detail tab. Is this a detail tab? I thought this was a... Yeah, it's a detail tab. View tab body is that. Okay, tab button. So we want to fill this with all of the employees in the game. So we'll call this employee listing tab. Let's go to this UI thingy that we just saved, this prefab. Employee listing, we're going to add an employee listing to it. Put that back in here so we can actually see it. My son just hit the follow button of your stream, but he's supposed to be in school right now. Looks like I get to discuss appropriate use of technology while at school. Oh no! Devin's son, run for the hills! I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to have you exposed. He seems to be exemplifying it. Uh-oh. Alright, look, Devin's son, I will cover for you. I'll tell your dad that it was all part of a classroom assignment where you needed to show... I don't know. I can't help you. You're screwed. Private text. Title. And description. So yeah, for now we don't care about the images yet. Public void setup. And I guess this takes... What is an employee? I guess an employee is an actor? Staff? Staff is an actor type, an actor is an actor. So yeah, it takes an actor. Surely this is creative and not League of Legends. So title.text equals actor.name, actor name. Title.description. Oops, I mean description.text. Actor.current status. Actor.ai? No. Where's that thing where we get the actor status? Current status. Current status. Status? Get status. Actor.get status. Oh, this is a method. Let's call this current status. And let's make this not a method. Let's make it a variable. Actor.current status. It's not actually doing any methody stuff. Alright, so an employee listing tab is a set of employee listing prefabs. Public void set employees. It's going to take an array or a list, an array or a list of actors. And we'll call these guys employees. Gotta go back to being a responsible adult. See you, Devin. Have a good one, dude. Okay, so we're gonna set the employees. I guess we'll start by need a need a rec transform button holder. Where to put all the buttons? Okay, so we're gonna assign our two texts here. I did want this to be a button also. I wonder how that works. Could you just make it a button and now it's a button? That'd be cool. This tab panel, or this panel, or this panel, or this panel. Employee listing tab, listing prefabs. Gonna need this guy in there. And this is the button holder. Do you play Pokemon Go? Also, have you heard the news about 0.37 update not supporting rooted devices? What a crazy mess. What's our rooted device? I was playing Pokemon Go. I stopped playing it. I kind of got a little bored of it, to be honest. It just felt like a long grind. But I was playing it. Team Valor for life. Okay. So set employees. We do have an employee manager, I hope. Or NPC manager. Show a list of all of our haulers. Awesome, 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 awesome. Probably need a dictionary of all our employees at some point. But for now, we just have our haulers. And I guess we're not keeping track of any other employees. Yeah, haulers.add. So there's on NPC enter. Should be keeping track of them here. We're just doing haulers, which is fine. Update all actors, spawn NPCs, boo-doo-boo-doo. So we'll say public void get all employees of type actor type some type. Essentially uses the Linux kernel. Rooted and Android device gives similar access to administrative super user permissions as on Linux or any other Unix operating systems, such as FreeBSD or OS X. Oh, so you can't. Were people using that to like hack stuff? Is that the problem? Like, is that why they took it away? Hashtag wiki. So for haulers, we're just going to return haulers. Which is a problem because it returns a list of... Okay, it does return a list of actors. Sweet. A new idea for a game is tough. I used to be filled with ideas. I know, Potato. It really is. I still do want to create... I want to be able to... so I want to do something like Dan did with What the Box. I still want to make something small, like a jam game, and try to get that out, because Commercial Tycoon is going to be a little while. You know, it's just the reality of it. So I do still want to try to create something smaller for fun. In the meantime, but ideas are so damn hard. Most people from China have root devices to rip 1/3 their user data. Damn. That sucks. Default return no. I guess we'll just go down here. So let's do public void on show. We're going to set employees. And we're going to call game manager npc manager dot get employees of type hauler. And actually here we should just say public actor type employee type. And we're going to pass that in here. This is not public anymore. So on whenever we show this window, we're going to try to get all the employees and set them up. Question is, when the hell does on show happen? This is an employee listing. This is an employee listing tab. It's a detail tab. It's not a stats view. Oh crap. Oh no. No. My greatest fear. Okay, no, we're good. Okay. These are two different prefabs for whatever reason. I didn't realize made as a prefab. I did. Okay. We need to save some prefabs for safekeeping. That should be its own prefab, and that should be its own prefab. Thought I rewrote a prefab. That would have been bad. Used to make root ROM, still root till this day. Stop playing Pokemon Go though. Yeah, same. It is very overcomplicated. It seems like creating them is way too unreasonable. Yeah, it's so hard to keep the scope small. So damn hard. I mean, look at us. We're making a Tycoon game. Okay, so detail tab, tab body alpha trigger, public void show. So if we make employee listing tab extend detail tab, then we can override this method called on show. And override void on show. Problem. Public virtual void on, oh, it's just show. Then we call base.show. Oops, wrong class. Base.show. Boom. 129 an hour if you want any ideas for games. Are you full of realistic, tangible, makeable, small game ideas? Okay, so this is our tab body. This is our tab button. remove this now. This is a detail tab. And let's see what happens. Oh, it's set to guest. Actually, that'd be cool because oh. No reference exception. Tabs at I. Oh, gotta set our tabs back. Tab view needs a holler tab. So right now this should just show a listing of all our guests. That'd be kind of cool. We're running a chess game from scratch. Cool, Grindal. That's a good way to practice. Or do you actually have an idea for like a new kind of chess game? Nothing's actually showing this window right now, so let's set it to our staff button, which I believe right now, I don't know what the hell it does. It does nothing. Let's set it to show staff view. Toggle. See ya, Bukaday. Have a good one. I'm only 120 an hour and I've got better ideas. Okay, so oh, that's not it. That's not. This is not working. What's the problem? Staff view. It's there. Canvas group 0. Tab view. Hollers. Element. Staff button. Staff view show. Tab view dot toggle. This is a tab view. Calling the UI window toggle. It's got a canvas group. This actually looks like a game. Thanks, Harry Studios. I wish it worked like a game. So our staff button is not toggling our staff view. The other ones are still working, right? Oh, I was hitting the wrong button. I am but a fool. Staff button is right there. Why was I hitting this button? Anyway. There's our staff. Mr. Pooey Butthole. That is not our current staff. I meant to do the staff type here. Body stats tab. Nope, wrong thing. Body hollers. So this should be holler. Same as chess as always, just a challenge for me. All my coding has been industrial control system. Cool. Actually, I did that for practice last summer, I believe. Not this summer that just passed, but last year summer, 2015. I coded a chess game from scratch, like a 3D chess game. It was a ton of fun. I learned a lot of cool things about generating boards and managing and doing like inheritance and stuff for my pieces. So I thought it was a really good practice project. I love to make my text-based game I made in my first year of college into a 2D game. Do it, Potato! Do it! Do it! Majority of the streams in here are either simple 2D games or people just learning how to use Unity. Oh, gotcha, Studios. Well, I appreciate it. Yeah, this is Convention Tycoon. We're on day 18, I believe, of the game, of development. The premise is that it's going to be a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. We're currently working on a view to see all of our employees, which goddamn isn't working. So this stats view should at least show Janie McGinley. And I guess we also need buttons to hire more staff members now because we took that away. God damn it. So we know our tab button. This save. This is employee listing. Show. Tab button. Let's go to our detail tab. We're gonna make that protected probably. Yeah. So we need these guys to be protected so we can get them from our child classes. So we're gonna say tab button dot. Does it not have any? It's an image. God damn it. All right, we'll worry about that later. So this text should say holler on it. Hollers, holler back, yo. Hollers. But why isn't it generating our listing? So we have our haulers employee listing tab. It's set to employee type hauler. We have our listing prefab. Okay. We have override void show. It should be getting called. Oh, it's only called when it's, I see. Okay. So we need to call show on start. It's only called when we press that button, which is not what we want, right? So we need a start method that calls show. Or calls this. So let's make a method called void refresh view. And so on show we're going to call refresh view, and on start we're going to call refresh view. Meh, 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 meh. Oh no, our see smell here command is actually wrong. It's going to the Skyhook Facebook, but we actually have a Quasi TV Facebook. Okay. Staff. Okay. Still nothing. Let's do some breakpoint action. What's happening when we call refresh view? Set employees. Oh! Guess it'll help if you had an empty method, huh? Guess we probably should fill this method full of things, right? 10 minutes till what the box! Oh my goodness. For anyone who doesn't know what's going on, one of our very amazing mods, good friend of the show, Daniel S&D, is releasing his second game, What the Box, on Steam today, being published by Megastorm Games, which is the company that I have. It's going to be exciting. It's really cool. It's a 3D shooter, multiplayer online shooter where you're fighting as cardboard boxes. The reason why I have with Unity is to figure out how to properly supply the relevant references to the scripts, because I don't use GameLogic.Find because I think it's just kind of bad architecture. How do you do it? Yeah, that is one of the downsides to Unity, is that Unity is meant to be like a front-end development tool for designers and stuff. So they want you to use the inspector and stuff. There's two approaches, right? GameLogic.Find is obviously terrible. I'm glad you don't do it, because yeah, it's really bad, really performance heavy. Another way, or the way Unity kind of has itself set up to do, is you expose stuff in the inspector, right? So if you look at our employee listing here, it has a title and a description, which are these two text elements, right? Mr. Poo Butthole and Fixing Toilet. And so you reveal them in the inspector by serializing the variables, and then you drag and drop each one into each thing. It can get a little cumbersome and annoying, but it's kind of how Unity wants you to do it. Sometimes I don't want to do that stuff, and if I want to make stuff a little bit more dynamic, you can just, if you know how your object is set up, you can do it through code. Finding stuff on start and awake isn't so bad, so you can do like transform.find, which just searches the child, all the children of this object. You could try to find certain items that way. I only do that when I know for sure something is set up a certain way, but of course that gets dangerous, because if someone deletes something, then now you have no reference. So yeah, Unity is, I wouldn't say it's weaker in that regard, but it's kind of catered more towards designers in that regard, which makes it really easy if you don't know how to code and you want to set stuff up. But if you do just want all your stuff to happen through code, it makes it a little bit more annoying. But the more stuff you generate from code, the less you'll have to assign stuff in the inspector. For generic stuff, the drag and drop thing doesn't work. What kind of things do you mean? So let's do employees.count. So we're going to iterate over all the employees, and we're going to spawn a new button for them. So employee listing, new listing. Goes employee listing prefab.spawn. Gotta make sure we create our pool for this guy. So we'll spawn a new prefab. New listing dot setup. We'll pass in. Maybe we just pass in the actor, right? So employees at I. And we're going to say new listing dot set parent, or new listing dot transform dot set parent. And we have our. I've been wanting to do this. I like it to have the file structure there. We have our button holder. So we're going to parent it to button holder. We're going to make sure our scale is reset, because the scale gets screwed up when you transform rec transforms. All right. yes, and yes, and yes, and yes. Okay. Been getting this really weird rec transform error from the Unity editor. Probably need to delete my like 10 folders or something. Silver Ice Magus, thank you for the follow. So this button doesn't work. You must have a graphic target. Probably have to remake this guy as a button, because right now he's just a thing. Transform, get wrecked. Alright. Staff. You mother. We're doing it now, right? Yeah. Set employees count. Let's put a breakpoint here. Spawning the prefabs. Putting them in the button holder. Button holder. Is this? I had a scene where I had set up all references, and as soon as I changed the scene, all the references got lost, and some of the objects got deleted or replaced with new ones relevant to the new scene. Right. Yeah. So do you want to bring those stuff over from the old scene, or did you want them to now reference new things in the new scene? Because, yeah, I see what you mean. You met Silver when we were out with Moss? I met Silver when I was out with Moss. Silver Ice Magus? Oh, no way. Hello, hello, hello. Which hangout? Because we were hung out a couple times. Was it the arcade night? The clown? Was it going to the clown bar? Need to go see a Polymath. Have a good one. Don't die. Yeah, nothing's getting listed under here. Where the hell's my breakpoint? The one with sushi and the arcade. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, I remember Silver. Hi. How's it going? Are you Pax Pox as well? Are you plagued with the plague? Where's my breakpoint at, yo? Okay, something's not getting called.
Oh, yeah.
Something is not getting called. Silver Ice Magus, thank you for that host. Override Void Show. Let's move this view over here. Employee listing. Wait, what? Why isn't it? This is a detailed tab. Which needs to know its own detail view. For what? View.show tab. Okay. So what the hell is the view? Is this the view? Is this the view? No. Let's go look at the actor detail. How does it work? This is the top thing of the detail view. This is a tab view. Oh, okay. So this doesn't need to be a detail view. It can just be a tab view. Okay, so a detailed tab only needs to know its detailed view. That can know that. And that way these can still know actor details. Okay, cool. Is that gonna help? So you got from living with you! Shreddy Bear, you're patient zero! You're patient zero! I don't usually get it, so it's odd having it. Oh man. That sucks. Why, game, why? Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. Start there. It might be happening too soon. Okay, it is happening too soon. Because by this point, we don't even have any employees yet. We got all of our haulers. Step over this. We got a list of 0 employees, right? Okay, continue. If I hit show, now it should have called show, but it didn't. And that's because the first tab is already showing. Okay, I think I get it now. So how do we want to keep our tabs updated? I guess We could do it when an employee is hired. So there's an interesting design pattern where it's like, we have this list of all of our employees. Do we want this list to... We obviously don't want to update all the time. We probably want to update only when we load it. But then if we keep it open and we hire someone, then we want it to update as well. So basically you need to know if our tab view is showing... Tab view's UI window. UI window is showing. Okay, so let's try if... That's not gonna work either. When do we want to refresh our view? We want it to be when this thing shows for the first time. I guess what we could do is in tab view, show tab, start with show tab 0, and in UI window on show, rigged! I feel like it's already made it out. Shreddy Bear survived. Second time today. We need to basically update the tab. Could cheat it with the canvas group. We have our virtual void show. Okay, so let's override this method in detail tab. No, not detail tab. In tab view. Oops, I'm running it. What the box trailer is ready? Oh, let's take a look. Hold on. Let's just do this because I'm going to forget. Override void show. Base.show new title, and then we're gonna call show tabs at 0. Yeah, we'll just do that for now. It's not gonna work if we close it and reopen it. Or it is. We want to keep track of our last open tab probably. So staff, all right, god damn it, we did it. There's Jolie Sengupta. Jolie Sengupta, waiting for deliveries. Awesome. So we can remove Mr. Pooey Butthole now. Let's just move this image over. Just delete this. Apply this. And so now, do you have your UI get all the information in the update loop, or do you have it subscribed to delegates and events? Yeah, I have it work on events. So, because in the update loop would be crazy, a lot of string concatenation and stuff. So like what I was just working on was making this list only update during events, so one when it's shown, and the next event we're going to do is when you hire someone new, it'll update the list as well. So we're going to have a little button here to hire more haulers. So we can close this, and now we have a little hauler. That button doesn't do anything. Oh, okay, I'm forgetting to clear out the list whenever I refresh it. So now it's just going to keep adding the same person to it over and over and over. But more importantly, let's watch the What the Box trailer. Boom, 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 boom.
Box.
You guys ready for this?
The box on a fire. What the box? The box. The box on a fire. What the box? The box. The box on a fire. What the box? The box. The box on a fire. The box. The box.
Did he say what did the box say?
The box.
Oh my goodness.
The box on the fire. What the box is a line with player. You are the player. You want to find another player to kill them all. Where's the weapons? Inside the box. Use the gun to kill your enemy.
I love that there's like corny lyrics like in a 90s cartoon or something.
The box. The box. The box on the fire. There's
Muscle memory.
a bunch of game moves. You can can be the king of all boxes. One bullet, one chance. Sugar box and death match to revenge. Capture the tape to be the boss. Sugar box and death match to revenge.
Okay, I thought that was a cut.
Be the boss.
Wait, is that in the video or is that in my computer?
Capture the tape to be the boss. The box. The box.
Oh, here's
The
my
box
computer.
on a fire. What the box?
What the box? Isn't it the evil laugh from Rocket Fist? Is that Dan rapping? No, I believe that's Thiago, the sound designer for the game, rapping. This game looked insane. I know, Charm. This is the newest game by one of our very good friends, Daniel S&D, and it's supposed to be releasing right now. Oh shit! Oh shit! I think it might be releasing right now. Like right now. I wonder if he did it. What the box? Steam. Quasi Jerk and Chat Jerk, GT Craze, what's up? Oh my god, it's out! It's out! It's out, it's out, it's out, it's out, it's out! What the box is out? On Steam. I already have it. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's not out. It's not out. It's coming soon. Never mind. It's not out. False alarm. Whoops. False alarm. Thought it was out because I said install, but it's not out. Awkward. Oops. All my spam. I wonder if I can purge myself. Probably not. I guess it hasn't. It's 4:01. It's only 4:01. It's not time yet. But keep that tab open. That's really what I was just giving you guys the tab so you can keep it open. Oh wait. Now it is out. Literally perfect timing. It's actually out right now. But there's no launch discount. Which part of coming soon did you not understand? No, it's out. It's out, Soul. I was like 30 seconds too early. 30 seconds too early. But where's the launch discount? It usually takes a little bit of time. I don't know. It's weird. But it's actually out. So my spam was, or not, false alarm. Anyways, there it is. Here's the multi-pack. I know Steam took away the whole multi-pack thing, which is too bad. Where's your key, Potato? I think we're gonna do a giveaway. Never. So, get the game. It's $5. Just don't eat today and buy What the Box. And there you go. There you go. Wow, What the Box is out. That's awesome. He did it. He did it. Bible thump. Why so sad, Sean? Why so sad? Okay. We'll probably play some What the Box in a little bit. I think Dan is probably streaming. No, I guess not. I don't know. He's probably dead. He probably died. He's probably dead. You already bought on Itch? If you bought on Itch, on Itch, you believe you'll get a Steam key for it. I think it says something about that on the Itch page, on how to like claim your stuffs. Okay. Let's make it some games. So we were working on employee tab. So we want to clear out the list every time we show it again. Someone post What the Box key so I can grab it. Damn, GT Craze. Damn.
Just do it!
Exactly. You should get it. Wait for him to email us. Yes. Yeah, he should email you guys the game soon. Let's go back to our employee listing tab. Refresh view. We're going to do clear view. Void clear view. Clear view. When's your Tycoon game coming out? You should put a countdown timer, GT Craze. To like 45 hours. Let's do it. Fuck it. Fuck it. 45 hours, we'll make it happen. Make it happen. We'll make it happen. List of employee listings. Current list. You can make it. I believe in you, GT. I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. No, we don't want to do it in current list.clear. We want to iterate over the entire list And we want to recycle all of the... See, there's a way to go about this too, right? So we can either do it this way. That recycle. Or we can... Whenever we get a new list, we just iterate over it and we ignore all the ones that are already in the thing, but then that's ON or O2 or I guess it's, yeah, it's ON and we have to iterate over this and then check to see if it exists we can make a dictionary of actors. Everyone doesn't believe in you should be instantly banned. Oh my gosh. Hashtag banned. GT Craze is out of control. Someone please tie him up. What the box is mine. All mine. Where's our music? I'm going to give everyone a little bit of time to pick up What the Box because we'll play a little bit of it a little bit later. So if you have a copy, let me know so we can play against you guys. Did someone say ban? No, he said banana. 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 Time you out? No, I said tie you up. Tie you up. Did I say time you up? I'm pretty sure I said tie you up. Like, literally with rope, tie you up. The game is live, Dan. I know, we were just watching the trailer and looking at the Steam page, and I believe you already got some sales from a few jerks in chat. So I'm waiting for everyone to pick up the game so we can play together in a little bit. So everyone got some time, go into your couches, stick your hand way deep, all up in there, stick gem in as far as you can and look for some change, and pick up a copy of What the Box so we can play it today, together, as a team. I'm pretty sure I said tie you up, GT Creator. But I gotta win with Dan! 8 months of love! Our baby came at 8 months instead of 9.
8 months of love, now best publisher less than 3.
Daniel, thank you so much for 8 months of support. I think my very, very first sub ever. Great friend of the show, and congratulations on a brand new game, dude. You made 2 goddamn games. 2 goddamn games. Damn it, dude. Damn it. Congratulations. Can we please get some hype and love in chat, guys, for Daniel Cindy releasing his second game this year. By the way, second Steam game, I believe, of all time, but also second game this year. This guy's out of control. Someone needs to stop him. I think after you're done tying up GT Craze, you need to tie up Dan, because he's making way too many games. Way too many damn games. Please drop some hearts in chat for the amazing Daniel S&D resubbing and releasing his second game. Go to Itch, go to my purchase, and click download and scroll down to claim my key. Awesome, there it is. There it is, Potato. You should be able to get your keys on Itch if you already bought the game, I believe. So yeah, I was saying is we could iterate over our list and see if they already exist in the dictionary. That might be a little bit better than spawning it over and over if you have like hundreds of employees or respawning it every single time. What's up, Flux? So I think we should do it like that. A dictionary of actors and employee listings for each actor. Right? That's our current list. I don't know about clearing the view yet. We'll do that. It's WTB, but we should make a What the Box command too. And there's a little timer for it as well. What kind of publisher are you that don't have a What the Box command? I do, but I tried to make it shorter. What's in the box? I'll make it What the Box. That probably makes more sense. Oh, there is a What the Box command, but I mean, does it work without What the Box? What the Box? Does that work? No, it doesn't work. Just put an exclamation in it. There you go. Almost 20% off. Yeah, it should. It is. I believe it's. There's a launch discount now, right? Because launch discount wasn't showing. We were checking earlier. Okay, cool. Launch discount. Sweet. Okay, set employees. So whenever we add a new employee, we're gonna make sure if current list dot contains key of this actor, then continue because they're already in the list. We can ignore them. I'm also gonna need a public void remove an employee from when you fire people. And public void add employee. Now again, we're going to say if current list that, oops, we're going to do this. Current list that contains some employee. So we need to pass in an actor. How much are they paying you for those cross promotions? He's using you for your E-fame. Daniel pays me with 1 intimate, delicate, sensational high five every time I promote his game for him. Basically bought a Tycoon. Aw, dude. That's so nice of you. Thank you. Or thank you. Or you're welcome. Or that's awesome. You guys are amazing. Amazing, amazing community. Are you streaming today, Dan? You better be streaming. Launch party stream. Come on, man. You got to have a launch party stream. So it doesn't already contain this actor. If it does contain the actor, then current list at actor dot recycle. And I think that sets it, removes it from the list, right? Probably. Or that just sets it to no. So current list at actor dot, or current list dot remove actor. And this is how you add an employee. Pretty much just create a listing for it. So we'll do this. Grindal, thank you for the cheers! Thank you so much, dude. Nearly 2 hours? Yeah, please go sit down. You don't have to stream today. I'm pretty sure everybody will understand. Please go sit down, use the bathroom, maybe poop if you have the time. Pat yourself on the back because you just released a second game, man. And get ready for those bug reports because they're coming. They're coming. Probably. Hopefully not, probably. 32 and 64 bits. I just got that. I was just like, that's a really random value to cheer. I just got that. Just got that. That's awesome. That's awesome. How long now till big YouTubers play? I think a matter of hours. A matter of hours. If you guys know any YouTubers or streamers you think would be interested in What the Box, please let me or Dan know. Please reach out to them. Let them know the game is out. It'd be a huge, huge help to the launch of the game. Thanks. It's your game dev joke. Thanks, Grindal. How long have you been working on the game, RBS? It's up in the title, actually. I'm trying to keep up to date with it. It's 18 days. This is day 18 of Convention Tycoon. Alright, so now we shouldn't be re-adding the same employee every time. And yeah, there's already hundreds of thousands of views on What the Box on YouTube, which is what's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, so if I hide and show, it's still... God damn it. Oh, I'm never adding them to dictionary. Current list dot add actor and new listing. Let's try again. There we go. Okay, only got one Catherine Babcock. Only one Catherine Babcock waiting for deliveries. So let's create some boutons here. So we want to, let's just pull that higher haulers button out from here and shove it into this panel. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Con info button, starting panel, entertainment, integer, events. What? Staff view. No. Where is this? Where are you? What is this? Where do you come from? Who are you? Interesting. Hire? There we go. Hire button. I'm gonna duplicate this guy and shove him into our this. Zero it out. And we're gonna put it, I guess, on the bottom? On the top? On the bottom? On the top? On the bottom? Oh, let's go on the bottom. Was silently watching. How do you get those advanced things in autocomplete, DJ Alex? I'm using a program called ReSharper. And ReSharper has this really, really cool shortcut where you hit Control T and you can just start searching for things. It also has all the autocomplete stuff. So when I I'm missing libraries or missing elements and thing, it'll give me all those really sweet like autocomplete things. It's a little expensive, but it's, I mean, the time saved I think is so worth it. And I believe they have a trial if you want to just see if you like it or not. How's Skyhook going, RBS? It's there. So, you know, it exists. It's something we did. Tab panel, this panel. We want it to go like that. No worries, Alex. So our staff, hire haulers, and you can see now our hauler list isn't updating as we hire more haulers. So we want to make sure that does. Is Sharper actually more helpful than IntelliSense? I think so. Jackamus, I think so, because your Sharper does stuff like this. So, say I don't have the systems and collections at generic, I need to import dictionary. Like you can just do Alt-Enter, and it imports the missing libraries for you. Like little things like that, I think is way better than regular IntelliSense. Is your name still in the game, or was that the first test of the game? How do you mean, RBS? What the Tycoon? Anyone up for an EU lobby of What the Box? I think, is it time? Is it time? Jeffrey stuff to be annoyingly verbose. Fair, fair. How many people in chat have What the Box and want to play a match against me, the What the Box Pro, one of the highest ranked What the Box players in the worldwide rankings of What the Box? How do we connect? Let's see, what does this actually call? This calls NPC spawner.hire hauler. Probably just wanted to call this employee listing tab. So if we put a method in here, public void hire new. And we go to this method, hire hauler. See what it does, it calls spawn on the NPC spawner, which you do have access to. Hire staff member, hire security guard, spawn. So we can say here, game manager, spawner, dot spawn, and actor type. Or what is this called? Employee type? So now this hire button, all it needs to do is call the method from the parent panel to spawn that kind of an employee. You bought Skyhook? Thanks, GRINDAL. I appreciate that. That's awesome. You added my name to the game somewhere as we had to guess a number, and I got it. That's probably not there anymore, but anyone who's in chat shows up as a character in Convention Tycoon, if that's what you mean. Press tab and look on the top what game mode you're playing. Yeah, there's a one ammo only game mode, Nopal, which might be what's happening to you. Haulers, employee listing tab, hire new. Okay. Boop-a-doo. Okay, that works. I forgot to regenerate the list. So after we hire someone new, does this return an employee? No. So let's just refresh the view. Okay, there's Sarah Ann Redigan. That's not the name. So we hire some haulers, and there they all are in our nice condensed list so we can see them easily. So again, a little bit more reasonably. So there's our 4 haulers, Tildy, Riley, Dinny, and Cody. Next thing we're going to work on is actually clicking on these names will take us to that person automatically. And it'll like select them automatically and maybe set to follow them, and then we could deal with our stuff there. So yeah, we'll turn these into buttons next. Before we do that, let's fire up some What the Box. Whosoever wields this hammer, if he be worthy, wield the power of Quasi. It's a long time since we read that one, RBS. Thanks, dude. Let's fire up some What the Box. And while that's loading, we can keep working. Because we need to turn this into a button. Or where is it? This employee listing. Put it back in here. We want this to actually be a button and not what it is right now, which is a nothing. How the hell to do? Guess it just needs an image. Put an image in there, now it's a button. I guess. Wait, how do regular buttons work? They have an image, okay, yeah. So this is an image. We make that image the target graphic. Then it's good. And make the color red, black, green, purple. Let's make it like a blue. Like a blue. You didn't buy it, but I will, and we can play together. Awesome, game fail. Play game. Let's make sure my Steam doesn't try to update while I'm on stream.
The box?
The box, the box, the box is on fire. Little boxes, tiny boxes.
Wait, why is all this?
Big boxes on the hill, big boxes,
How do I turn it down?
tiny boxes.
Do I have two games
Little
open?
boxes.
What? Grindal!
I'm determined to see all the special donation animations.
Grindal, thank you so very much for that Pokemon 151 donation. Guys, can we please get some love in chat for Grindal coming in with that Pokemon donation? You're amazing. Thank you so much, dude. Also scooping up biggest jerk for yourself. Does it sound okay? Is it too loud? I'm gonna turn it down. Okay. You good? Is anybody playing? Are you guys in here? What the box? Room name. Quasi TV is awesome. What? I'm playing in that one. Oh, I should have turned down my stuff. Let's turn off this. And probably turn off this. It's kind of killing your output FPS. Yeah. I gotta, hold on. I got this. Quality low. Turn to me. Do I have to restart to fix the quality? 9 FPS. Hold on, let's quit. Nope, not the forums. Options, quality low, let's turn off all this. Bad word filtering. And quality, I think we could do high. Alright, there we go, 20. Turn off SSA, yeah, sorry Daniel. I forgot I was playing with that on. 5 minutes get most kills at the end of the box, most kills, 1% to keep this. Okay. Press 5 on the spawn. Ooh, let's go! I'm a box! What up? I'm a box, sucker! I'm a box. Oh, god damn it! Oh, box! Potato, get out of here! How do you melee? I think it's 1, right? You will cover health now? Oh, sweet. 1 is for melee? Okay. And 2 is for guns. I'm a box. I'm a box. Just a box. Camping out. Like boxes should. Something going on down here. Some dead boxes. Just a box. Be cool. Be cool, man. Be cool. I can't even shoot for my life. Game over. I won. I totally won. Missed the panda. Maybe a hold button, and while you're holding it, you can turn camera left and right with your box turn around. Interesting, GT. Whoa. There we go. Oh, what the? Damn. Everybody be cool. Be cool. Oh, there's someone over there. Oh, hello. Cutting your box. Cutting your box. Oh, damn. Oh, it's Q to swap over? I've been doing 1 and 2. You guys should know I'm very bad at shooters. Oh, I totally sliced him. How do you know your ping? Does this show it? Escape? No? Good. It's a mosh pit of I know, where'd you go? Oh, where's the box? Oh, you guys are good at hiding. There's no service for you, Wrestle? That's weird. You can always start again. Ping shows when you hold down tab. Ah. I'm at 57. Could be worse, I guess. I'm just a box. Doing box things. Doing what a box. Oh, hello! What's up, Skytech 6? I can't see. Oh, kill spree. Oh, goddamn. End of my kill spree. For anyone who doesn't know what's going on, we are playing What the Box, which is Daniel S&D's new game. Just released today. Created by one dude. Oh, I killed someone, I guess? I don't know what happened. My technique is to run around and never be a box. That way, no one will be suspicious of me. Get boxed! You're going faster with the box cutter? I love the CS throwback. Oh, nice. I didn't know that. Someone move. Are you a box? Skybox? I saw the skybox. Look, if you just do this. Just... Oh, no. It's gone now. Wait, what is it? Is there a Rocket Fist robot back here? Look! Easter egg! I found the Easter egg. Rocket Fist robot. Boom. Screenshot. Get cut. Get knifed. Oh. Oh, the Rocket Fist poster here too. Everyone's just lining up for me. One of you guys is not a real box. Oh. You can't join the lobby? Oh, is it full? Oh, it looks like we're pretty full. Is there a spectating mode? Oh, I thought that was a box. Excuse me. Excuse me. Just trying to be a box here. There better be a Sky Easter egg in this game? I'm not sure if there is. I think Dan might have asked me for one and I never gave it to him. Oh, is that door closed? You think I can get up there? Probably not. There's no... Nope, there's no way up there. Excuse me. Hi, I'm a box. I'm a box. I'm a box. There is kind of hidden, but it still respects the amount of people allowed in the room, so can't join over a room limit separate. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Makes sense. Makes sense. But since you're using Photon, you probably don't want to like let that get out of control, especially if you're watching if you have a stream and then like if a big streamer is streaming the game, then all the viewers try to join. Which I guess would be a good problem to have. Get cut, you box. You're just paper. Oh, game over! Did I win? Did not win. Alright, I'll leave the match so you guys can play. Let's go back to the lobby. Play. Boxes on boxes. Boxes of Wumbo. Join this match. Oh yeah, no worries. I have no problem. You have one bullet and your weapon won't reload. The only way to get more bullets is to kill the players? God damn. Play a capture the flag, make a new room. Okay, let's do it. Play. Create room. Daniel S&D is awesome. Capture the tape. Camping penalties. Max players 10. 5 minutes. Map selection. This is the new one, right? No, this is the new one. How much was the new one? Create room. Who wants to play with me? New room with a password. Oh. Password locked. Password is Watto. Quasi TV jerks. I think I typed Watto. New room. Quasi TV jerks. Password is Watto. Come join me if you have the game. Am I bugged? Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, the servers and stuff? Okay, that didn't work. No games available. Uh-oh. Creating room. Oh no. Stuck. Restart the game? Okay.
Work the box?
The box is on fire.
Connecting to name server? I don't know what that means. Oh, what that mean? Whoa, there's all these maps now. Oh, that's because that. Capture the tape. Okay, room. Awesome. Pick your team. Red team rules. Team must retrieve the opposing team's packing tape and return to your team's basic team to retrieve the most tape by the end of the match. Wins. Okay, thanks. Alright guys, so the room is Quasi TV Jerks and the password is Watto. W-A-T-T-O. I'm currently on... Why is everyone joining blue team? Anybody want to be on my team? Thanks, Gots. Gots / Noble? Oh, are you Noble on Twitch and Gots in game? I want to defend that. Tape, okay. Excuse me. Just a box. Please leave me alone. Just a box. Dan, defend the team! Carry us! Carry us to... Where's that red tape? Oh, someone has it, I see. Okay. Can you go up there? Well, uh-oh. Excuse me. Red tape is shipping. Is that a team member? I don't understand. I guess it's a team member. You can tap Q. I did know that. Thanks. Blue tape is shipping. What does that mean? I guess that means someone has it. All these box puns. Battles over there. Oh, I don't know this map at all. Just going that way. You guys are all red team. Okay. Got your back. Got your back, Dan. Kind of cheating playing with the developer. A Simbi! Come join our room. It's a Quasi TV Jerks password Watto. I don't know if it's full or not. I think it's max 10, so we can have one more person on each team, I guess. Are we winning? Are we winning? Dan, are we winning? Oh, they have our tape. We need to get our tape back. Yep. Oh, Vandy's on my team. Oops. Where's the tape? Where's the tape? Give it to me. Do we win now? Defend the tape. Aww. Did you know the first commercially made cardboard box was made in 1817? Have you seen the release trailer? Of course. We watched it on stream. Red team rules. Where's the action? So again, if anyone's wondering what we're playing, this is What the Box, a game created by our very own mod and friend of the show, Daniel S&D. It's just released on Steam today, and it's a multiplayer shooter where you play as cardboard box. Well, someone has our thing! Yeah, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Oh, you're on my team. That's Dan. Okay, we like Dan. I want to shoot Dan. Anybody in here? Anybody in here? Oh, 1 point for us. "39 seconds. I'm just gonna follow Daniel because he knows what he's doing." I realize jumping all the time is a bad idea because it makes you super obvious. Because then you look like a box. Where's he going? Going that way? Oh, the lag is real. I'm probably streaming, that's probably why. Whoa, he's on fire! There's a box on fire. There we go. Game over, I win! Hooray! Hooray, hooray. Cheating, hanging out with the developer on stream. Awesome game, dude. Alright, I'm gonna jump out of this game. So I believe, I'm not sure if Dan is still here. I believe he has a thing. Okay. So, question. Everybody hanging out in chat who just watched us play What the Box. Would you be interested in winning a What the Box Steam key? If you would, please type a kappa in chat right now. If you think giving away a free copy of What the Box right now to someone in chat would be a good idea. I don't know. The game just stuck? Oh, it's because I quit. I think I was the room. We're in a black level. My bad, I was the server. Because I made the room and I quit. A cap in chat. Damn it, Treddy! That's 4. Okay, 4 people maybe want to give away. 5, maybe 6 people want to give away. 7, 8, maybe 9, maybe 10, maybe 10. Do I see 1,000 people? Let's, how do I, where's the, what is the, let's get the thing out. Let's get the thing out. That's a new bug. Yeah, well, so I closed the game as the server. That, I'm guessing has something to do with it. Oh, look at all these kappas flowing in. Look at all these beautiful kappas. Beautiful, beautiful, What the Box related kappas. Where's my giveaway tool anyway? It's in here somewhere. Let's go grab us a key to give to one of these jerks. Use the hostess thing to the right level, but since you quit the new host things, the reload level is the right level, so it just stays there. Gotcha. There you go. Some more bugs for you, sir. Happy to help. Hashtag support indie gaming. Yes. All right, you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Can we get some giveaway hype? So guys, last night Quasi TV promised a 24-hour banana stream. If we can get down, I need to do a 24-hour box stream. Damn it, Ryu! Damn it! Write my review. Hashtag banana is gonna be my review. Let's do it. Let's load up some names. Loading.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks! Look at me!
I'm looking at you, Senpai. Drop Daniel. Drop my bot. Does anybody not want to be included in the giveaway? I think I'm not already in here by default. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? What the box giveaway. And let's roll it. It's What the Box giveaway time. We're giving away a Steam key to the brand new game, multiplayer shooter, where you play as a cardboard box, created by Daniel S&B, released on Steam today, literally 40 minutes ago. You can have it before all your friends. You can shove it in their faces and tell them you're way cooler than them because you're a cardboard box deep down inside. Let's see who gets it. Let's see who gets it. Is it going to be Soul? Is it going to be Alien? Is it going to be Opal? Is it going to be a Simbi? Is it going to be Nim? Probably not. It's going to be Salas. Maybe it's going to be your mom. It's going to be that guy. It's going to be Teshub. It's going to be Technobabble. It's going to be Blubber90. Blubber90. You're already in there if you've typed something in here before. Yes, if you guys are already, if you're in the chat, that means you're already in the giveaway. The winner is Blubber90. You have 60 seconds. 60 seconds to show yourself in chat. Say something, anything. Even drop an emo. Maybe just say you love me. Something in chat. If you don't, you lose the key. Rigged. So close, Techno. I know you were really, really close. Much blub, much 90. Where is it? Where's Blubber? Are you here? Are you? Are you? Not here? Uh-oh. 35 seconds. Blubber, where are you at? There it is! There it is! Hi! Hi indeed. You may not have just noticed, but you won yourself a free copy of What the Box, the newest game by Daniel S&D. A game where you fight as cardboard boxes. So Blubber90, I'm going to grab you a Steam key and whisper it to you right now. Sweet and softly into your ear. Not here, not here. Latch friends did it. Yeah, Jay Grindal, if you want to use this giveaway tool, it's freely available on the internet. It's Latch's giveaway tool. It's super, super, super awesome. And Latch is an amazing, amazing game dev streamer if you guys don't know him. You missed the H's, Asimbi. You missed the H's. There's 3 H's in Latch. It's Latch. What the hell are those damn Steam keys? There they are. Is that giveaway stuff self-made? Latch made it, I believe himself. Or someone made it for Latch. I don't even know. Let's get a key. And this is for a Twitch giveaway. Blubber 90. Blubber. Damn it. Twitch, let me type. What the Box Steam key. Here you go, Blubber90, and don't forget to tell your friends. This is from Latch and Friends. Yes. Asimbi, you tried again, and this time I don't know what's going on. There you go. Thanks, Asimbi. You're awesome, dude. Blubber90, congratulations. Let's make sure we tweet that out. I don't think I have my Twitter thing set up here yet. Share. Ooh. Add account. Ooh. Very fancy. So guys, that was What the Box. If you want that game for yourself, you should get it. It's amazing, and I love it. And it was made by one dude over the course of 1 month. It's now out on Steam, and that's amazing. That's amazing. Blubber90, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out, and congrats. Don't forget to tell your friends, your mom, your dog, your neighbors, and of course, every single one of your bananas. If you got a dozen bananas, count to 12. Let them all know. And something tells me if you guys check out Daniel S&D's channel as well, there's probably been a caster command for him. I'm going to drop it again. If you guys check out Dan's channel, I'm sure he has a couple of keys to give away there at some point as well. So give that guy a follow. He likes to wear cardboard boxes on his head. He's kind of a weird dude, but he has an awesome stream, and he's a great game developer. So let's get back to work. Yeah. Where's my Unity? Oh, I closed it. I was like, what happened? This might be shocking, but I'm GOTS in Discord as well. Now everything is revealed, Noble. Grindal!
They said 3.14159265358979323846264
Dude! You weren't kidding.
Giveaway high.
Thank you so much for that $3, 3.14 donation. dropping that pie. Thank you so very much, guys. We got some hearts in chat for Jay coming in with another donation today. You're amazing. Thank you so much for your generosity. No welcome. I mean, no welcome. You're welcome, Dan. I was gonna say no problem and you're welcome at the same time, so I said no welcome. No, you're not welcome. Heart pyramid. Oh, guys, these earbuds are really. I have to buy headphones tonight. I can't stream like this. I can't do it, Captain. I can't do it. So there's a problem with this button because now it needs to be a button. Crap. This is what I hate about UI programming. Okay. I think if we... Oops, that was the wrong thing. Employee listing. Make it a button. Make the target graphic an image. Make the image in the button and hit apply. Should fix it. Mr. Poopy Butthole, you better believe it, Asimi. Okay, these are buttons now. Sweet. What color do I make this? I think I have a template or a color. There's like this purple thing I've been using. So that's our employee listing, which means we can delete this one. This one. And so clicking that button needs to do a thing. Let's put it back. Clicking this button should call something. You should call employee listing. Which doesn't have any methods, I don't think. I think about building a 100% web-based game without using any gaming-related framework. Damn. Serious challenge, Nopal. I like it. Or GOTS. I don't know who you are anymore. But yeah, I do remember that you're GOTS on Discord because I think you mentioned it when you introduced yourself. But I forgot that. But that's a really interesting challenge. For anyone who doesn't know, Quasi Jam 7, our 7th game jam here on this channel, is coming up in 2 weeks. Next Friday. Not this Friday coming up, but the Friday after that is going to be our 7th game jam. We're still getting the themes together. We'll have voting next week to figure out what the theme of the jam is going to be. And we'll announce the theme on Friday. But Quasi Jam is on September 23rd. It's going to be starting at 3 p.m. On stream. And then we might have some super special weekend bonus streams that weekend to celebrate Quasi Jam because the following week is TwitchCon, so I won't be around as often. So we'll be doing some super secret bonus weekend streams maybe. I'm really excited because I want to make something awesome. And some of the themes are pretty crazy so far. So we'll have public theme voting starting Wednesday. I probably need to get that ready. Get a poll together. If you're a sub and you haven't already submitted, there's a poll on Discord. If you're not on Discord, please come join us. There's a Google form on Discord for subscribers to submit theme ideas for the game jam. So if you're a subscriber and you want to submit a theme idea, please come and submit one so that you could be the person that we get mad at when your theme gets chosen for the jam. So let's say, employee listing is gonna need to know public employee listing tab. And we're gonna have a method public void on selected. We're gonna say tab. We're gonna have a public void select actor. It's gonna pass in some actor. And this is gonna be private actor, current actor. We're gonna store this in our setup method. And so when we're selected, we're going to say tab.onPress, tab.show, what the hell did I just create? Select actor. Tab.select actor, current actor. If our tab exists. Did you take a peek into the motto suggestions yet? Motto suggestions? I need a sub to pass in the theme, Watto. It's really important. I look forward to the nerd rage. You can't get Discord to work, Sean? What do you mean? Are you in the Discord? Did you integrate your Twitch account with your Discord account? That might be why. Why do my favorite streamers have to be across the pond, so I have to stay up? I'm sorry, Potato. Also, what pond? Which pond are you across? The Atlantic or the Pacific pond? What's up, Kenny? How's it going, dude? Quasi-jam suggestions like what kind of style the game shall be. Oh, wait. What's the question? I missed it. Hold on. Did you take a peek? Yes. I looked at them on Saturday. There's one that's quasi-banana. There's a couple of, ones that aren't quasi-related. But they're pretty cool. I like them so far. They're pretty cool. Some of them are a little tough. I'm not sure how we're going to do them. I saw one was, I think, steampunk. I don't want to spoil them. There's, I think, 10 theme suggestions in there right now. So yeah, the subs are submitting the themes, but everybody who watches the show is going to get a chance to vote this following week on what the theme is going to be. So you guys all get to vote, and the one with the most votes will be the theme that we go with for the jam. And if you don't know what quasi-jams are, they're game jams we host here on the show. We have a theme, we have a set period of time, in this case it's going to be the weekend. So the stream is going to be on Friday, and then we're going to continue on Monday, and we're going to play everyone's games that everyone works on over the weekend. So I make a jam game. Sometimes people on stream help out with my game. Everyone else makes jam games. People get together in teams sometimes and jam over the weekend. And we do them over different periods of time. So sometimes quasi jams are on weekends for people who have day jobs. Sometimes they're throughout the week for people who can't work on weekends. And sometimes they're just 3 hours for people who just want to jam out real quick. A lot of people, I think, have made their first games during a quasi jam. So if you haven't made a game before, or if you have, you just want to make another game, it's a great time, great excuse to work on a new game. Are they vague enough so it allows us to make a lot of things? I mean, I don't want to have restrictive themes. Yeah, I think so, Simbi. I think so. What's up, Plays? How's it going, dude? Flint Steel, what's up, man? I can't believe you're still alive. I thought I cut the brakes on your car when you left PAX, but I guess that didn't work. We need to pass in an employee listing tab now. Here. Tab, and then we'll say this dot tab equals tab. It wasn't automatically syncing. I had to go into integration panel and manually click join. Oh yeah. You do have to do that, Sean. Cool. Well, welcome. Please submit a theme. Made my first game for Quasi Jam. Quasi loved it, especially the end. Damn it, GT. Damn it. You're still alive, Flint? Wait, you put a caplet. Does that mean you're a ghost? Are you a ghost? That would make sense. If you guys don't know, I met the amazing Flint Steel in human form at PAX, and I'm so excited to meet more of you guys at TwitchCon in 2 weeks. 2 weeks till TwitchCon. Right? 3 weeks? 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks till TwitchCon. 3 weeks till TwitchCon. Chardakov, welcome back, dude. How's it going? I'm confused. What was I doing? Oh yeah. On selected tab. Yes, we need to set those here. Past this. So when we select an actor, actually, I don't even know if we have to go this far up, right? Because we know the actor. You're in the Netherlands now, which is nice. What? That's awesome. Did you move there? Items, actor selected. Player cursor. Place item, rotate item, deselect item, can't afford item, unboost, so pick up actor, drop actor, select item. I think there's like is there like a follow? Give actor set target to follow. I'm gonna do this. I have to do my illusion project, but I can't even set my camera. You can't see Flint Steel in human form as he is a robot. Game Dev Company! What's up, dude? Flint Steel is a robot, yeah. I saw him charging himself while we were hanging out at PAX. It was kind of obvious. You could have hit it better. Okay, so when you click on an employee, I want to select them, and I want to target them. Now, who should do that? Does the actor do that? I don't think we need a reference to our employee tab after all. Because we already have the actor. We know who our actor is. So we don't need any of this crap. So if current actor, you move because the university is there. Awesome, dude. I guess we could put it in the actor. say public void select and follow. And it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to do this. And we have an item. Is an actor an item? I think so. No, it has an item. The name item doesn't exist? I think I'm in the wrong class. Whoop de doop de doop. This should be its own class. Move to activity.cs. Another awesome thing I think that ReSharper does, which I can just right click and turn something into a new file. And then I also want to do a select on selected. I think the player cursor does it. Select item. Some item that on click. So game manager instance dot cursor. Select item. Item. Okay, so I'm seeing now that this doesn't have to be in the actor class after all. Could just make this a game manager thing. Public void, select and follow actor. And we don't need to do this anymore. We already have our own, so it's ourselves. So we're going to pass in actor.item. We need to pass in the item. I think the actor has a public reference to its item. It doesn't. Okay. So it's a public item, actor item, get return item. Whoa, sun on my face. Goodbye, Mr. Sun. I don't need no vitamin D. Setting visual arts, which is nice. Oh, cool. But I'm having problems with 3D. What problems are you having? So we're going to say actor.actor item. So calling this method should automatically select and follow this actor. So what's happening, Chartikov? We're currently working on a 2D isometric MMO about bananas and stroopwafels. It is a controversial project. There's been a lot of pushback from the community, but I think it would be it's the right thing to do. I think it's the right thing to do. Way too many files open. Employee listing tab, employee listing. That's what I want to do. So if current actor, game manager, .instance, select and follow or something. Current actor. Okay. So on selected, we should immediately follow that actor. Bedtime 11 p.m. See you, Nopal. Thanks for hanging out, dude. Fear and trembling. What's going on? Don't know about that area, and studies islands are small, but not that small. Game of the year, Musaris? I think so. I think so. There aren't enough bananas in our game, you know? Love that. We have to make one illusion model from a drawing, but I can't find the focal length of the sketch. I don't know what an illusion model is. Okay. You see that down there? Yeah. Staff. Oh, I have to actually call that thing. So, where is it? Employee listing. Call the button on selected. Can you post a link? Of course, Chartikov. There we go. And so when you click on a hauler, on an employee, first time, but not second time? Mother truckers. Okay, let's see. First time worked. Don't need this method anymore. Select and follow actor. Go to definition. Set target to follow. Controller.start tracking new target. Check target equals true, return equals true, destroy pan helper, target equals no target. If we're not targeting anything, returns to orbit target. New target equals null. So what's the problem? Because we're calling it too many times? I usually keep my community in a linked list because if there's ever any pushback, it doesn't really degrade the performance. Treddy Bear with the programming punny jokes. You jerk. Not even gonna laugh at it. Not even gonna laugh at it. I guess... Oh, you know what? If target equals new target, if we're trying to track something we're already tracking, then return. If we're already tracking this, ooh. These are freaking awesome. Oh, like Escher stuff. Dude, holy crap. These are amazing. So you make these? Somehow? You show these to William. William Shire would love these. William Shear? I forgot how you pronounce it. It's hard? Yeah, I imagine. I think I tried to do one in the cooldown sketch one time and epically failed. See, now why is it resetting? That's the problem. The follow isn't working. The select is working just fine. Oh, you know why? I think it's in the wrong order. Maybe you have to select then follow. Because when you select something after you follow it, it defollows them. It's from the school? Okay. So what do you have to do with these images? Because they're amazing. I wish I could do this, but I know I'd be ready to throw my computer after the 15th time of compiling. Space. I feel like that every single day. Every single damn day. Alright, so there we go. Now, no matter how many times I click on it, we're following our Stormy Ranier? It's like Stormy Jazzy. So I select this person, and goes back and select that hauler. This employee is now my main selection. I can hire some more haulers. And I can select them and go to them. Awesome. Awesome, sawsome. You need to make a 3D model. God damn. I don't know how you're going to do that. That's pretty... How do you do that? We're going to make these listing, the default color be white. And the highlight... Oh, damn it. What just happened? Collect something else. We're going to make the highlight color be the purple. And the press color be the purple darker. Okay. Incoming? What's up, GRINDAL? Zico Play and Captain Cruiser, thank you for the follows, guys. I can show the model to you later when I'm done. Hell yeah, I want to see it. And I want to know how the hell you did it. Because it looks like magic. Oh, damn it. I didn't want it to be white. I wanted it to be transparent? No, because then it presses on the other color. So grayish. So thank you for the follow. Space LR, thank you for the follow as well. No, I'm done.
Oh, yeah.
Legend friends, thank you for the host. Oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? Is what I think it is? Is what I think it is? What I think it is? What I think it is? Where did you get your assets? Did you design them yourself? These are all, the characters are from the asset store right now. They're placeholders for our prototype, but they're an asset pack called Little Heroes. Yeah, Little Heroes. And then I, crappily modeled this toilet and this house. The rooms is from Simple Town or Tiny Town or something. And there's a truck over here somewhere that I want to crap with as well. All of the art's very placeholder. We're just focusing on systems and stuff. ADP Gaming, what's up, dude? Oh my gosh. There it is. The punches. The punches in the face. It's latch time. Welcome, Kilo Shifter. The punches in the face. The Twitch chat appears in the game. It does, yeah. Anyone who talks in chat will appear as a person in our convention. The punches are real. Quasi loves his Twitch chat integration. He does indeed, Neville. He does indeed. I think I know what's going on, and I think it's time for a good old-fashioned raid. Guys, we are being raided by the very amazing Latch and his friends. I need your help to defend the stream. Stutzmondo, you've been chosen. You guys get to vote. Hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run in chat to decide what to do with these dastardly raiders. Fight for your lives. Use an item or run. 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 No, don't run. Don't run. Fight. Treddy, not you too. Let's fight these jerks and take them on. No more violence. Come on, guys. It's up to you. We need to defend this stream against our raiders. Simbi pants is an item. Oh my gosh, it should be. Did we make it one? We should make a pants gun the item. We decided to fight. Alright, here we go. Sesmano used Zerg Rush. Nice, powerful move. Latch used Hug. Not too powerful. We know Latch is loving, but his Hug will never help him in this raid. Boobs and pants and boobs and pants? Alright, 30 more seconds. Here we go. Round 2. Hashtag fight. Hashtag item or hashtag run to decide what we do with these raiders. Don't let them take over our stream, guys. I see all you traders out there. I see all you traders out there. 10 seconds. What are we going to do? Mayonnaise is not an attack, Asimbi.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Look at me.
I'm looking at you, Neville. Stream decided to fight. Alright, here we go. Setsmondo use Rocket Fist. Boom! Right in the face. Explosions. Destructions. Quasi TV and the stream wins. Awesome job, guys. Simply an agent of chaos. Awesome, awesome, awesome job. Thank you for taking on those raiders. Latch and Friends. Latch, thank you so much for that host and for that raid. Welcome everybody from Latch and Friends. This is Quasi TV. We are currently working on a game called Convention Tycoon, a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. So here's all our little Twitch chatters hanging out at our convention. You can do things like invite indie devs to have booths at your convention. You can choose where they go. You can help them set up their booths. You can choose which indie devs you want to invite based on their genres and what they're selling. Different NPCs have different interests. You can do things like beanbags down for your NPCs to rest on. You can get them little pizza shops so they could buy pizza and eat. We're currently working on hiring staff members like haulers to carry boxes, security guards, and people who volunteers who help with the convention itself. Need more street passes. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. That is one of the animations I want. One of the idle animations I want for our players is them actually sitting down and playing on their DSs, because that's what conventions are all about. Showing the video, Simbi. I think we'll save the video for another time. We'll save the video for another time. I think we have a lot of distractions today during the show with What the Box and with all kinds of stuff going on. So I think we need to just jump into our game dev and keep things going. If you invite EA, is that DLC? Maybe. Exclamation, find myself. Yeah, so if you're hanging out in chat, if you say something in chat, your little NPC guy will say it right now. So let's see what we got hanging out here. We've got Zombuddy137, who's pretty hungry. Probably wants to go find some pizza soon. The pizza just got delivered, and there's myself. There's Quasi TV heading to the pizza shop stand. The pizza shop sells pizza, bananas, and cold drinks. Is there a booth that sells deodorant because it's required? Not yet. There probably should be, though. There's Eva91, headed to the pizza shop. Alien Town X, wandering around, probably looking for the bathroom. There is a bathroom as well, so you can see over here if our characters have to use the bathroom, like this guy. Who's that? Phantom Potato is in there using the bathroom right now. Look at him go. And of course, you don't have to just view your convention from the top down. You can click on you. Where'd you go? I lost you. Oh no. Pizza! There's Gwem. So you don't have to look at your convention from the top down. You can also jump in and you can follow your characters. You can pick them up and move them. Or you could actually visit the convention yourself as one of these NPCs. So here's my convention. This guy's got his pizza. He's hanging around this corner, away from all the chaos. Your capitalization is weird. My capitalization? What did I do wrong? What capitalization? Capitalization. Pizza and bananas? Yeah, Game Frenzy. I mean, who doesn't want a healthy meal of a slice of pizza, a banana, and a cold drink? Exclamation, wet myself. There's no commands. There's no commands yet, but that would be awesome. That'd be pretty awesome. Help you find the bathroom, alien? I'll get you to the bathroom. Where are you? Where's your character? There's too many. Too many of you guys. No reference exception. Oh, no. What's going on here? Oh, this alert message thing again. We'll have to fix that in the future. Not yet. I have another idea for the fun fact detail tab. Does not believe in deodorant. That's a good one. Maybe we could get together as a community and come up with all the fun fact fun fact ideas. Do subscribers get alpha builds, Sean? Possibly. Yeah, possibly. I haven't thought too far ahead of that yet. We're only on version 0.0.0.0.0.0.2. But yeah, I think we'll probably do something like that. Subscribers also get into the credits of any games we develop here on Quasi TV. So if you want to be in the credits of our games, hit that sub button. You'll get some super awesome emotes, and you'll officially become a jerk. And that's probably what everybody ever wanted. Did you know Pokemon Go was made in Unity? It was, Penguin, yeah. Pokemon Go was made in Unity. Is just me or is this Cam out of sync with his voice? Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Boop. Boop. There we go. But I haven't quite decided on alpha build access for subs yet, but I probably want to do something like that. What I might do is something like subs get to become characters in the game. Once we get further along in development, I'll probably do something like that. If I type exclamation dance, my in-game character dances, that'd be awesome parts. That would be freaking awesome. You gotta have emotes? I know. That'd be cool. There's so much more to do with the Twitch integration. Please credit you, JJ? Never. No credit for you. Everyone but JJ who subs gets to be in the credits of the game. It's still out of sync, Chartikov? I think it's because we're killing my computer. Probably. The day is coming. The day is coming where we're gonna have to get a new computer, probably. Kilo Shifter, Lost Dims, Delachad, Zero Toxic, Dario, ADP Gaming, Joseph, Moon Golf, Yaga, Acidic Crane, Sotha, Space Ella. Thank you for the follows, guys. You guys are amazing. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to ignore those hashtag banana hoodies I see in chat. Put it away. Put it away, guys. Put it away. We got work to do. We got work to do. Oh wow, Unity UI just shattered into a million pieces. Okay, we're working on the hiring employees. We just built a fairly generic system for hiring haulers. Haulers are the employees who carry boxes that get delivered here at the loading zone. You can see they're waiting for deliveries. We're going to create some tabs for security guards and I guess just security guards to start with. We don't even have a use for staff members yet. Security guards is the next. We have haulers already implemented. They carry boxes. Security guards is the next kind of staff member we're going to implement that actually protects places in the convention. Make it so 1 to 100 to 200 congoer gets a kappa instead of their face. Nim, that'd be amazing. That's a good idea. Carpet in the bathroom is nice. It makes your feet feel comfy while you're pissing. Damn it, guys. Damn it! This is just one floor, okay? This is just placeholder level. Not actual level. It's just placeholder level. I swear. I swear. So actor details. Nope. What are we doing? We have staff view. We have our haulers tab. His always ends up on the carpet. We'll make a new tab. This is gonna be the security guards. Larklin! Bye, Potato! Larklin, welcome, welcome, welcome! Larklin, thank you so very much for hitting that sub button. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. You're officially one of the worst people on Twitch. Thank you so much. You now have access to our sub-only emotes, like the Noseless Quasi, the Cool Fin, the Hammer Watt, and you get access to our sub-only Discord, where you can hang out with me and all the other jerks 24 hours a day, weekends, while we're sleeping, eating, or pooping. No matter what, you can hang out with us. And you get your name in the credits of whatever game we develop here on Quasi TV. So thank you so very much for supporting the stream. Drop some love and hype in chat, guys, for Larklin coming in with that fresh sub. Getting us close to our sub goal. Three subs today. One more to that goal. We'll get there. So this is going to be our security guard tab. So security. So all you gotta do is set the option here. It's called a security. And we set this employee type security guard. And we'll save this prefab. I think the hire button should just say hire. Hire button. Hire. We're probably gonna want to generate these later, but it'll be faster to just do it like this for now. Hire. Narcos, what's up, dude? Long time indeed. How have you been? How's your stream? Monkey Man, thank you for the follow. Doom Spirit, thank you for the follow. Let's... No reference. Why? Why? I did nothing to deserve a no reference exception. Employee listing tab. Staff view, tab panel, tab button, employee listing, panel holder. What's the problem here? Employees.count, set employees. Oh, we don't have any security guards. If employees equals null or employees.count equals 0, then don't do anything. Person 1557, thank you for the follow. So Hungry TV, thank you for the follow as well. What happened to chat? It's going slow. Chat's just fine. You reference null, obviously. Obviously. PaxPox. Yes, we do need to implement PaxPox. Or just convention pox into the game. That's gonna be interesting. Maybe we just ooh, zombie apocalypse event. Where if you let a zombie in, that's what security guards are for. If you let a zombie in, they start biting the other people and then they turn the other characters into zombies and they all die. Everything's cool. I see you're taking this game to a complete game. Yeah, Narcos, this is definitely the current main project. Convention Tycoon, a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. We're currently working on hiring some security guards, but our game hates us. Oh, I didn't add it as a tab. That's the problem. So security, boop. Should fix the problem, I think. And then do I have to add an action to it? No? Okay, still not. Security, not a... This is a button. Oh, why doesn't it have a method on it? This isn't a method either. Oh, whoops. Whoopsie daisies. This button has the method stats tab, detail tab on pressed. Key. So this one? Where is the stats tab? Wait, what? How do these work? Inventory, tab button. Detail tab on press. What's the detail tab? That's a detail tab? Oh, I see. Damn. Do zombies? You know I love zombies. You do love zombies. Zombies are just brain dead fans who buy the same franchise over and over. What's up, Lena? Okay, so we have to refactor... Well, not refactor, just rename some things. So these buttons don't work with tabs, ironically. I guess they would. Detail tab on press, stats tab. So I think we need this method to be in tab view. So on pressed, view.show tab view. What? Is this the tab? Oh, this is the tab view, detail view, okay. So this is a tab view, which is a UI window. So we needed to view.show tab this. Let me better understand this. So we have a tab button, which calls inventory, which is a detail tab. Okay. So this is a hauler. This is an employee listing tab, which is a detail tab. Okay, that's what we're missing. So this button needs to call haulers, detail tab, on pressed. This one needs to call security. Oh, where's the button? Security, detail tab, on pressed. All right, let's try it again. Where's the UI framework here? Or did you build it or did you get it from somewhere? It's just built in Unity. It's all just Unity's built-in stuff. I've been kind of building my own things here and there, so things like these tab views. Like I built this, or I've been working on this tab view system, so it just is fairly generic. Every time I iterate on it or add a new window that uses it, I try to make stuff a little bit more easier to use. It's not super easy to use yet, so it's not like something I just like pass along. But you know, I have this simple thing where you can have tabs, and then the tabs hide and show their own things. So you see I have no security guards. If I hire some, they didn't show up. Oh, you know why? Because we talked about before. In our NPC manager, we're actually not keeping track of our security guards. We're only keeping track of our haulers because we have this archaic just hauler list. What we need is a new dictionary of lists and types. So I think it'll be actor type. And each actor type will have a list of stuff inside of it. And that will be our all employees. I guess just all actors. That would really be our all actors tab. Let's just call this actor library. It's not really a library. Tab view was what I was wondering about. Okay, yeah, pretty much writing it myself. Yeah, I don't really use any UI. If you guys recommend any UI frameworks that would save me time, that'd be super helpful. So actor library, actors. Let's just call it actors. Because then we'll stop using these two lists and you start using this instead. Let's see, where is all actors used? Just a couple of places. Okay, so we're gonna stop using this haulers list. I'm gonna go down here. We don't need a switch statement anymore. We're gonna say if actors dot contains key this type, so actor dot type, then actors at this type dot add this actor. Add them to list. Otherwise, we're going to add to the dictionary. So we're going to say actors dot add this actors type and a new list. And inside of this list is going to be our actor. Right. So whenever we create a new actor, we're going to add them to this giant dictionary of all the actors that exist. Out of sync again! Oh no, JJ! Someone figured out what causes that. Is it a... Actually, I'm curious. Is it a CPU overload? Let's see what our CPU is at. Performance. And we're doing okay. 32% CPU, 10 gigabytes of memory. We're doing pretty good. I don't know what causes the memories, the mouth sync. Agonar, thank you for the follow. Person, I think you already done. Thank you again. Person, 53, thank you for the follow. Okay. So that is how we're going to store our actors. And for here, when we try to get an employee list, we're going to say if actors.contains key some type, then return actors at some type. This OBS is one reason I'm hesitant to switch from XSplit. I think so. I've seen it happen to a lot of streamers. Zoot! It's me! It's not. He's a clone. What's up, Zoot? I've seen it happen to a lot of streams that I watch, and I don't know. If anyone has any advice or has dealt with it before, I would very much appreciate some help on that. Okay. So dictionary system instead of a list system, which is way better. It's not OBS, Zoot? What is it? You're tired? What did I do, Zoot? I did nothing. I did nothing. Okay, so you should be able to hire security guards, and there they are. There's Chatty Lonsdale, Elva Goodbar, and Hallie Khosravi are very talented security guards. Here are haulers. There's Had Ipoloto. Let's hire some more. So we want to turn this into a scroll view and not a list view, because you can see what's happening. It's squishing all of our content. I've seen it consistently happen in OBS streams, but not in XSplit, yeah. I have a problem with XSplit where I wanted to switch to XSplit, but I couldn't get my intro video to play in XSplit. So, not sure what that's all about. We want to turn this into a scroll view later, but for now we have our security guards and our haulers. So much better staff view. And we don't know why it doesn't hide this when we click on staff, but it's fine. Okay, so we've got haulers, staff view. I think next we'll probably have to go back to working on our settings menus. This button doesn't do anything. Alright, so before we do that, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Let's follow around some of the jerks from Twitch while I do that. Back in a second. Don't go away. Yes, David just realized his bathrooms don't have doors or any privacy at all. What? He's taking a long bathroom break. I'm back, Ice Mason. He's having difficult finding an empty stall at his personal Quasi-Con. Jerks. I wonder if he still looked. Looked at what, Neville? Self-raid. What did I miss? What did I miss? Never say anything? If you call your game Convention Tycoon, that could be shortened to Cancun, which sounds a lot like Cancun, so I'm going to refer to your game as that. Mexican Resort City Quasi has been building. I like it. I like it! New name of the game is Cancun. Since you're calling it Quasi-Con, if I'll just have to use that. We could just change that up to, we can call it FlintCon. Flint Steel Con. There we go. New name for our convention. Forgot to answer me on Discord. When did you ask me? Something. Zoot. Had a question. Oh! I did forget to answer you. I didn't forget to answer you. I was going to reach out. Give me some time. I'm going to reach out to some of the artists I know and see who's available for work, and I'll get back to you. I have to see who's still up. Your very own convention. I know, Flynn. You're pretty much famous. Beep boop. You still have to be right back. Oh, thanks! Thanks, JJ. You're awesome. Okay. Games. Okay, guys. Couple of new changes to the show. Just before I forget, there will not be a cooldown sketch today. I know we've done our fair share of cooldown sketches. From now on, we're going to be moving cooldown sketches to only Friday streams, or whatever the last stream for that week is. So if there's no stream on Friday, we'll do it on Wednesday. So we're moving cooldown sketches to Friday streams so we can actually have longer and hopefully more color cooldown sketches. I want to put more time into them, maybe color them, make them a little bit better rendered, do better sketches. So we're going to be moving cooldown sketches to Fridays instead of every day so we can have some more cooler, high quality cooldown sketches. Which also means more time for game dev, because I do want to jam out as much as I can on this game before TwitchCon, so we have something cool to show for them. So let's go and remove this employee listing. We don't need it anymore. Pants for cosplay? Your headphones are broken too, Game Frenzy? I know, look what happened to mine. I literally picked them up to start streaming. And rip my headphones. So these were like I don't know, $200 or $170 or something when I got them. They're wireless. They were awesome. It did last for 2 years, I guess. I'll give them that. But it's my own fault. I cracked the plastic. I think I grabbed it too hard. Yeah. Because Friday is better for me because Saturday is the next day. I know, yeah. Exactly, JJ. And I can do longer streams hopefully on Fridays. Mine broke a week or so ago, so I've been on the hunt for new ones. Me too, Locke. If you find any good wireless headphones you recommend, please let me know. Besides the Apple AirPods. You're the same ones, broken the same way, Game Frenzy? Oh my gosh, maybe it's a curse. Maybe it's a game dev curse that's going on. I don't know. Something's happening. Something's happening. Okay. What do we do now? We made the game. We conventioned some tycoons. We made we made a staff window, which is awesome. I do want to figure out some way to actually show their faces. Probably have to capture a render view of every NPC after we create them and steal their faces. What?
Do a new thing. Speed sketch. You start a timer and must draw something as well as you can in 120 seconds.
120 seconds. That's a really cool idea, Quasidad. First of all, thank you so very much for those $2. Can we please get some love in chat for Quasidad, who I don't know who it is, but I guess the biggest jerk will tell. Thank you so very much. Speed sketch is a really cool idea. I think it would be something cooler to do in the middle of the show when we're taking a break or using the bathroom or something, but I like that. I do like that. We'll have to set that up because I don't have timers and stuff going on, but I don't want to do it at the end of the show. But speed sketch is a really cool idea. I mean, you said it and you dropped $2 for it, so we could just try it out. Let's try it out right now, real quick. Take a little bit of a break. Bamboo! Yeah. That's Bamboo with the host. Thank you so much. Perfect timing. How's it going? How's your stream? You're using Razer Hydras, but those are wired, but I've had bad luck with headphones breaking on the head support. Those are pretty beefy, so hopefully they live. Okay, I'll take a look at those. I do like wireless headphones, though. Bamboo hype! Bamboo raid! Is it? Is it? Is it what I think it is? Are we being raided a second time? That's Bamboo! There's her face! Guys, I need your help one more time today! Let's defend the stream against these dastardly bamboos! GT Craze, you have been selected to defend the stream! Really chill, but we're about to change that, Bamboo. It's not chill no more! Welcome everybody from Bamboo's channel. If you want to take on this stream, hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run in chat. Hashtag run, I came from Bamboo Stream. Potato, you jerk! Traitor! You have a shark next to your head! You traitor! BPG with all the awesome narco emotes and hardly emotes! Alright, the stream decided to fight. Here we go! GT Grace used Beard Beam. Solid move, but Bamboo used the Stroopwafel Toss. Oh, that is a close one. Next round, we'll have it. Hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run in chat. Run, Quasi TV, run! Bamboo lost 85 HP, but GT Craze lost 80 HP. This is a close one. The next attack will decide everything. Hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run to defend the stream from these Bamboo Raiders. Not Jen, what's up? This True Popple is too strong. It is too strong, man. They're too delicious. They're too delicious. 3, 2, 1, here we go. We're gonna fight. Don't fail us, GT Craze. Twerk! Alright, luckily that twerk was just weak enough to take Bamboo out. There it is. Whew. Our stream is defended once more. Whoa. There we go. I'm back. Hi. Bamboo, thank you so much for that host. Welcome everybody from That's Bamboo's channel. You're now watching Quasi TV. We are currently working on Convention Tycoon, a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. If you fought in that raid, you might find yourself hanging out in this convention here with a box over your head. This game is about inviting game devs, artists, all kinds of people to show at your convention, and pleasing your con-goers by getting things like ball pits, pizza shops. Oh, that's another ball pit. 2 ball pits, can never have enough. Beanbag chairs, beanbag chairs, and all kinds of other items that we're going to work on here on stream. Today we're working on employees, so we can now hire haulers who help carry boxes, and security guards who help defend our con against jerks. Twerked out, and pinning people behind geometry. You can do things like pick up your con goers, check their stats, how hungry they are, how thirsty they are, what they've been up to. This guy visited the toilet recently. It's good to know. That's good to know. You can also look through their eyes and experience the convention. What? BPG MR come! Oh my goodness! Welcome, 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 welcome! BPG, thank you so much for hitting that sub button. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. You now officially are a member of the Quasi TV family. You get yourself some awesome emotes. Oh, looking at you in a second, Simbi. You get some awesome emotes like the Noseless Quasi, the Hammer Watt, the Cool Fins. You also get access to our sub-only Discord where you can hang out with me, all the other subs, 24 hours a day, whether we're eating, sleeping, or pooping. You also get your name in the credits of whatever game we develop here on stream. So you'll find your name here in the credits of Convention Tycoon, as long as you're a sub when the game is released, which hopefully will be soon. Will be soon. We got some no references here. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Guys, can we please get some love in chat for BPG coming in with that sub, filling up our sub goal, helping us hit the goal for today. Thank you so very much. You're amazing. My jaw literally hurts from talking so much today. You guys have been absolutely amazing. So many amazing people, so many amazing raids. Mark HD, Methia, thank you for the follows, guys. Vincent Chains and Moosers, thank you for the follows as well. I frequently hang out whilst pooping. It's the best way to poop, so productive. It's not joking about the pooping part. I have proof. Damn it, suit. Damn it. Sean, put away that hashtag banana suit. Show him to me. Show you the what? Show him the what? Hashtag banana suit sub goal. Oh no, that's not a thing. We never made that a thing. That's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. Is that a thing? Did I ever say it's going to be a thing? If someone can find proof of me saying it's a thing. VFRC. I'm going to have to ask you to keep the chat in English. One of our chat rules is to maintain the chat in English at all times so everyone knows what's going on. We met the sub goal. Hashtag banana hoodie for sub goal. Hashtag banana suit. God damn it. We have to make a sub goal higher if this is the case. You remember it as a thing? Damn it. Banana suit sub goal. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. I don't remember it being a thing. Rafimo, thank you for the follow. It's not a thing. I had to make it the game. I had to work out the game. Let's figure out. All right, while we deliberate, I'll let you guys deliberate if it's a thing or not. Banana hoodie will come out with me the sub goal. Hashtag Kazi TV. Totally a thing. Proof. Damn it, Neville. Hashtag. All right, if we get 17 hashtag banana suits, they'll make that a thing. But goddamn it, we're raising the sub goal if that's the case. Banana hoodie will come out if we meet the sub goal. Damn it, Game Frenzy. You weren't even here for that. Banana hoodie in the hood. It's so hot in here, guys. Why do this to me? Why make me put on a hoodie when it's so damn hot in here already? Okay. Okay, so we have employee hiring. Hashtag speed sketch. Thanks, Zippy. I totally lost track of what I was doing with that bamboo raid. We were doing speed sketch, but I'm not sure how we would do it. Hashtag. Damn it, not Jen, not you too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. God damn it. Don't know what I came back to, Ryu? I hate all of you. Wear the suit for the cooldown sketch. Potato? Oh, we just announced that there's actually no cooldown sketch today. We're moving cooldown sketches to Friday only so we can do bigger, badder, and color cooldown sketches. But we didn't hit 17, so I guess that's it. Guess that's it. Damn it, Shreddy! At 2, Shreddy! I thought you were on my side. 15. 16. Just came back and went with it. Damn it, Shreddy. Activity. I think I need to work on inventory for the actors. One more? I think one more. Appreciate the count, Sean. Thank you. I think I could trust you. Thanks, Rafe. I appreciate it. You rock, dude. Thank you for the follow. Hashtag Watto suit. I think Potato said it already. I think Potato's a double. Yeah, Potato's a double. Don't count that. That's a double. I guess players need a health stat too. You don't like changes? Sorry. Swift! Who brought you in here? You don't know why you're even, damn it, Swift! Just got back. What did you miss, Devin? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. If you spam Quasicool, I feel cool. Actually, I will. Yeah. Yeah, I will. You missed absolutely nothing. For anyone who doesn't know why I have a yellow hoodie on, a long time ago in a stream very, very far away, a couple of jerks in chat made a joke. They said, hey, something, 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 banana. And so someone else said, oh, you should totally buy a banana suit. And I said I would never do it. And so a bunch of jerks donated money to buy a banana suit. And so we did. And we wore that banana suit proudly and strong. And then, another day, Matt! Oh my goodness!
Hi.
Hi, Matt. Thank you so much for 11.25. Scooping up, I think, that biggest jerk. Guys, can we get some love in chat for Mattarello03 coming in with $11.25. Very specific donation amount. Thank you so very much. You are amazing. Thank you. Where was I in the banana story? Something about bananas. Thank you, Matt. Thank you for that donation. You're amazing. Biggest jerk. Right there. Oh, right there. Hi. Yeah. And so, we wore the banana suit. There's videos of it. We did the thing. And then someone had the brilliant idea to buy me a banana hoodie. And I own one now. And so I foolishly said that when we meet the sub goal, I'd put on the said banana hoodie. So here it is. If you'd ever want to see a game dev, a banana make video games, it's about to happen for you. It's about to happen. So let's do it. Let's make some damn games. Matterell, thank you again for that donation. You're amazing. Let's, okay, so we got hiring. Let's make these scroll views instead of, see how they squish together right now when we use them? So let's make these scroll views instead. Don't know how to do that, so that's going to be interesting. So we have this panel here. I think it needs to be a scroll. I think we have to make it a scroll view, probably. Tab panel, UI, scroll view? Scroll bar? Scroll view? There it is. Could you just move the camera up? We can't see the top part. God damn it, SMB. God damn it. Oh, it goes too high for my green screen. So I'll slouch for you. This banana is pretty good at games. Wow. We want to see the tip. It's pretty solid. It's a pretty nice little foam hoodie. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually one of the most comfortable hoodies I own. Oh, the white balance is gonna get screwed up again now. What's happening behind me? I guess it's okay. Look at you on Discord, JJ. I'll check it out after the stream. If something is super important, you can whisper me. You probably shouldn't have started Banana Suit sub goal. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Potato. Just so you know, after today, that sub goal is going up. If it means I have to wear a damn banana suit every time. Gives a beautiful black outline. Yeah, it looks like I have a toon shader right now. Definitely looks like I have a toon shader. Okay, scroll view. Auto, hide, and expand. Horizontal scroll bar. No, no horizontal scroll bar. Only vertical scroll bar. Width. This is gonna fill up with a padding of 0. Bottom is gonna go up here like that. And this is gonna be our panel where we put our buttons. So let's go back to haulers and set the scroll view as our panel. Let's see what that gets us. I have loads of clips now starting the best. No, Ryu! No, please! No evidence! No evidence required. Alright, there's nothing in here. Oh, because it needs to be the content of the scroll view, my bad. So there's a viewport and there's a content. So our haulers, this content needs to be where we put our buttons. Okay, still nothing. So let's see what's going on. Our content is here. It's got buttons in it. And our content's all the way over there. So where are our buttons? What? What? Oh. So the height's 300. Is there not enough height? No. That's interesting. Is it because these are layout elements? Probably Bananarama Season 1 to be released soon. Anyone else who wants the hoodie shop? Do you wear banana hoodie outside game? I do not. Not yet. You guys haven't found some way to make me do that yet. Thank goodness. So how do I get... We've done it with the inbox. How do we solve this problem? Inbox list, scroll view, viewport, content, vertical layout group. Content size. Let's just copy this guy. Shove him in here. Actually, no, I don't do that. Let's paste. Oops. So copy component. Paste component. Copy component. Grid doesn't do all the stuff by default. You didn't wear it at PAX, JJ? I did not wear the banana suit to PAX. Correct. I actually couldn't even fit it in my luggage if I wanted to. Okay, so we've got one person in here. And they're all stacked on top of each other. So we're getting somewhere. Vertical size, min size. Vertical layout group, spacing. 1. Child force expand width. Child alignment, middle center. I have to combine the footage I have of Daniel's ID with the Quasi TV footage. Ooh, that'd be interesting. Make a remix. You'll be wearing a Twitch. Not Jen! thought you were on my side, Jen. I thought you were on my side. Why would you do this to me? What's going on here? Let's try to put some of these buttons in ourselves. So employee listing. So it's something wrong with our settings probably. So we make a bunch ourselves. So content, spacing. That's not it. Is it because of the layout element? Preferred height is 60. Preferred width is 1? No, I don't want that. I don't see the... Why is it... Here's a vertical layout group. Child force expand height, width. Weird. Twitch Banana Suit sub goal hype. If you have kids? I don't have kids. Aww, baby banana costume. Yeah, no kids here. At least none that I know of. Dun dun dun. Let's try it like this. Alright, so if we hire... Okay, they're starting to show, but we're still getting a lot of issues with the view itself. First of all, no image, please. Wait, what? That's the mask. No image here.
Oh, yeah.
Blackstube00, thank you for the host! I have no kids. Daddy, what are you talking about? What's up, Herderus? How's it going? How many illegitimate quasi babies do you have for you? I would say at least 7 to 12 business babies. Yeah. Quasi kids in a banana suit? I'll bring them out. I'll bring them out right now. What's the problem here? So if we remove layout element. Their buttons, their images. Okay, this image should be left aligned at 0. The height is automatic now. Huh. Hashtag quasi family in a banana suit. Oh my gosh. My parents would murder me. I think I my parents put on a banana suit, but that would be awesome. Force expand height, padding, child alignment, middle center. Oh, is this just not big enough? Well, the viewport's pretty big. Content's pretty big. Preferred size, unconstrained. I'm not sure. Alright, we'll look into the scroll view later. But, now that I'm in this banana suit, and now that we've... Oh, I got to undo some of the stuff we've did. Now that we've at least got employee hiring working, I think it's time to head on out of here. Family portraits in a banana suit. Damn it, Potato! Guys, thank you so very much for a crazy, crazy awesome stream. Hashtag Speed Sketch Assembly. There's no time! No time for Speed Sketch today. We'll do it. We'll do it on Wednesday. I promise. I promise. We'll get things prepared. I don't have a timer and stuff ready for you yet. We'll get that stuff ready for Wednesday. We'll do a Speed Sketch. For now, let's go see if we could find some amazing human being out in the streamosphere to raid and show some love. You got the family pictures, Zoot? What is this? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. He brought it back. He brought it back. Let's go find some amazing humans to raid out in the raid world. Are you guys ready? Can we get some raid hype? Can we get some raid hype? Let's start to drop some raid love. Let's see what's going on creative. Raid! Alright, so our raid message is gonna be... Exclamation raid. You're leaving, maybe you should have hosted you, Black Soups? Are you streaming? I didn't know that. That is great, Zoo. You're amazing. You're amazing. Let's get some raid hype as we get ready for an old-fashioned raid drop. Let's go see what's going on in creative. Let's see if anybody is streaming What the Box. Ooh, they are.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Look at me.
Guys, let's go raid a What the Box streamer. So Space Pilot 99 is playing right now. So our raid message is gonna be, what's in the box? And we are raiding Space Pilot 99. currently playing What the Box, the game that Daniel S&D released today on stream. Let's jump in there. Let's show him some love. Let's let him know that we know the creator of the game. Let's go do it. Let's destroy their channel. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Thank you for all the donations today, all the subscribers, all the new followers. Welcome everybody. You guys are amazing. You guys have made this week just a crazy start. I don't know how it's gonna get any better. I'm gonna take out this hot banana suit. I'm dying in here. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. More Convention Tycoon. Don't die before then. I love you guys. Let's go raid this channel. Bye. Bye.